Fi lewa e whahoko lewa ai whakakalauni I he wheitu uta tau pe ai a koe whale mamata anga sporti ko ia ai a ko maalunga ko ia Tonga High School Indoor Stadium. I he lolotonga ni te tau kauwhataha I pe he pia mo se tita I hono tuku atu ai pe a hono whangamalo ia ngā hi kautaha pia mo hono tuku mai ai pe a e tau hingoa ko ia e kau Whine mui ko ia nau mau e loto lahi whi unga ke nau kau ke whi auhi ko ia e tauni. Pea ka hiri ko ia te tau kau whataha I pehe. Pea mo e tau kau tā mea lea ko ia o e whia whini. Ka ko ia te tau kau whataha I pea mo se tita se kope ko e hoa ngau ia o e whia whini. Malo se tita.
Malo apito halafo e koloi ko e kau whine, pe ko kau whine mo ia ne toko fitu ko nau loto lahi, pe ko nau veipa ke nau kau mai ke Miss Heilala o e ta o anoa wani na. Ko Siosi'ana Patricia tau moe pia o kune whafonga mai Miss Pangaimotu Island. Ko Lili o kune whafonga mai Miss Lady Maria Australia. Hati Liliani Olie o kune whafonga mai Miss Hapai Masani. Fungalaau Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi o kune whafonga mai Miss Tongatapu wa. Talita Fainga'a o kune whafonga mai Miss Karen of Love Charity Vava'u. Sinvia Kulena Violeti Tu'avau o kune whafonga mai e Miss SNS USA. Pea mo Maria Toatepi Tonga'uiha o kune whafonga mai Miss Tikaway Crazy. Ko kau whewhinen, pe kau whine mui e toko fitu ko nau veipa, pe nau loto lahi ke nau kau mai ki he Whiauhi Miss Heilala o ta o wanoa wani. Ma o ai pea whakamaloma kehe ke kau sponsor o e polokalama o e hawani. O ai whamaloma kehe ni ki he kautaha Tonga Airport Limited. O ai whamaloma kehe ke kautaha whetutaki a Tonga. O ai whamaloma kehe ke Tonga Cable Limited. Whamalo ke Spare Patron and Auto Savior. Pea mo i kautaha nau langa o yanga ofa timpa I he whanga o pilo level. Ko e kau taha eni, pe ko e kau ngawe o kunau sponsor, mo whakapaanga ai wawau, pe ko e katanga Heilala o e tau koeni. Malo.
Malo apito e se tita pe koe whakamalo a tuko uhi ko e whamalo ia ko ia ngahi kautaha nau toko nia whakapaanga kai malawa ki e whamafolanga tonu ato ai ngahi whi auhi ko ia o e ni ihi ko ia kau whine mui, nau veipa ko ia ki he Miss Heilala wanoa wanima. Ko ia e soakai, aia ko e ki fo I hiwa ko e na, pea mo e tau taritari ai pehe ke mea mai e tahine whawhi whalangi. Hangepe ko ia ko ia e lawei, ko e lea whakamalo e whahoko ia e he tale kita ko ia ai Tonga Tourism Authority Board. Aia ko e makaia I he hawani, pea pehe foki ki he lolotongani, aia ko I he ni foki ai Reigning Miss Pacific Island, wanoa wafa ki he wanoa wanima, aia ko Litara Ellen, aia o kone I he ni whakataha pea mo e Miss Cook Island I he hawani. Pea pehe foki I he wakai ko ia ko Lovely Maka, aia ko e tale kita foki ia ai poate ko ia e tak mamata. Aia ko e Tonga Tourism Authority Board. E whahoko atu ai lea whakamalo ko ia o e whiawhini. Pea e whahoko ai pe foki e he whaiwhekau se lalatai la kepa ai lotu tuku. Aia e whahoko ia I he whiawhini o kahili ai ngahi whiauhi ko ia o e whiawhini. Pea me he whare mamata anga sporti ko ia ai apia ko maalunga ko ia a Tonga. I he hauani foki hangepe ko ia kono whamanata te kau whamau o e whiawhini. Mahino pea ngahi teu lahi o ko whakahoko ko ia e he kau ko miti ko ia nau hanga o toka ngā I koe ni ai whiauhi o e ahoni. Aia koe mei tau ko toa peo whahoko ai ngahi whiauhi koe ni. I he tau ko toa pea koe nau foisi ai pe ngahi ngawe lahi ko ia e whonua. Ka ko hono tuku te ngahi whiauhi. Pea mo e kātoa ngai pe I he Amanaki ko ia ke he aho alo I ko ia ai ne awhio. Pea ko ia ai whakamalo ki he ngahi kautaha ko ia ne nau tōnia whapaanga ko ia kai malawa ki whamafola ato ai ngahi katoanga Heilala ko ia wanoa wanima. Pea pehe foki ki he teuteu atu ki he aho ko ia a pompongina. Pea mo e teuteu ko ni ki he whiauhi ko ni o mis tau olonga e whakahoko ia i he whiawhi ko ia a pompongina. I he wheitu utatau pe o whahoko ai ngahi whiauhi ko ni. Pea ko ia ai te tau kauwhatahai pehe mo e tau kauhiwa ko ia o e whiawhini mo e tau talitari ai pe ki he tau polokalama ko ia o e hauani. Malo soa kai.
Isa kua malu a fonua tau eba ki he whakamaunga loto haangana ki e ai tu oua koe utangana oi manu tau fonua. Wildflower and sung me a soft sad song, and every road we took, Lord knows our search was for the truth, and the clouds brewing now won't be the last. It's gonna never last, do they, baby?
I o ko e whiawhini ia pia mo e whiauhi ko ia o ko Amanaki ke whakahoko i he pōni. Hange pe ko ia mo mea i ko e whiauhi te unga matatahi ai kau whine mui ko ia na weipa ke whiauhi Miss Heilala ko ia wanoa wanima. Pia mo e whiauhi tale ni ti ai au whakahoko ko toa pe ia i he pōni. Iai foki ai wakai i he polokalama ko ia o e whiawhini. Mahino pe ai ngahi teu lahi ko ia whahoko e he kaungau e ko ia ka ko e kau leo. Nau whahoko nau lelei taha ki hono tokanga i kina makehe ai hao pia mo e malu. Pia mo e maa ko ia ai whare ko ni. Ai whare mamata anga sporti ko ia ako maalunga tonga i he whiawhini. Kai uma a foki ai lavei ai kau wako ngā ue ko ia pia me he university whawhonua ko ia tonga. Nau whahoko ko ia whanganofo pia mo no whahoko ko ia ngahi sevi, kai pehe whoki ke ngahi sevesi ko ia whahoko ki ni ihi ko ia koe kau whakaafe i he whiawhini ia. Pia ko ia i he whiawhini ia hange pe ko ia ko iai ai lawe i polokalama ko ia e hauwani ai ngahi toko lahi ko ia mo ki nau tolu koe kau whola mai pa me i tō Pureanga ka koe kau pōpō mai whoki ki he Kau misi ko ia nau kau koe ni whiauhi tau tau te whito ke ngahi. Whiauhi koe ni ka koe kau whine mui koe nau kau atu koe ni ke whiauhi. Ai Miss SNS USA. Pehe ki he Miss Tika Creation. Tika Way Creation. Pe a moe Miss Lady Maria. Aia o ko ikai foki ke sola. Hara taha ki he Miss Lady Maria o nau kau maupe ki he whiauhi koe ni ai katoanga Heilala koe ni. I he tau kotoa pe ai nau kau mai koe nau pōpō pe mo e nau teke ai pe ai tale niti ko ia ai au whakahoko koe ni ke katoanga Heilala o e wanoa wanima pe he foki ki he ngahi kau taha whafofonga i mahi kau whine mui e fo'o kai pe foki ki he Miss Ha'apai Masani. Ai au tau whamalo i ai pe ai kau whine mui ko ini nau loto tō ke nau kau ki he whiauhi ko ini o whakahoko pe kai ko ha me a si i ani koe me a lahi au pito eni ki he teu teu koe ai ngahi whamiri taktaha pe he foki ki he ngahi teu teu o ku whahoko ko ini e he ngahi kau taha o nau whafofonga i koe ia e he ni iho kau whine mui ko ini o nau kau koe ni ki he whiauhi koe ni whirimisi wanoa wanima. I he taim tatau pe hange pe koe koe wakai i he hau wani ko Osiene tau miniti e wha he tai mini pia me i he fitu. E ai foke Amanaki koe hoko ai fitu e kamatai ai polokalama koe ia o e whiawhini koe uhihi he koe whiauhi e ua o ko Amanaki atu ki he pōni. Ka koe ia ko iai foki ai wakai i he lolotongani o ko ke i whai pe ai whakatatari koe uhihi ke mau mai e tau kau polokalama kai o maa foki ai me ahene ai tahine whaafe whakalangi o e aho. Ko ia koe houani ia mo e whamanato a taipe anga ko ia tu e tau ngahi polokalama o e whiawhini. Koe lolotongani foki ai lawe i koe uhio ke i whaipe foki ngai whanofo. Ka koe lotu kamata e whahoko atu e whaifekao sela la taila kepa. E whahoko atu ai pe eiki minista ko ia pot ngau e tak mamata o minista lao e ono po mo ale finau a e taulea talitali ko ia o e whiawhini pe he foki ai wakai ko uhi o kuia e Amanaki o kahiri pe lea talitali ko e pōni e hoko atu ai pe ki he whakaawa ko ia ai Stacy ko e ni e he ni ihi ko ia e kau misi pe e tataki pe foki e he reigning Miss Heilala ai ako Miss Rachel Cottonbell i he whiawhini ia. Pe ka hiri pe hono tataki ko ia mono whawhiloaki mai ko ia e kau misi e hoko atu i pe ke taha o ngahi whaari ari e whahoko atu ia e Miss Cook Islands ai ako ngate Paeru Maria Mawate ai ako e Miss Cook Island ia, ne kau whataha pe mo e Miss Reigning Pacific Islands ai ako Litara Ellen i he whiawhini. Ai whaari ari o ka hiri ko ia a hono whawhiloa ki e pe foki mo e sea ko ia Chair Lady pe mo e Panel of Judges i he whiawhini ia. Hiri pe hono whawhiloa ki ko ia e ni ihi o kau whamau pea mo i kau pēnolo o e whiawhini ai wai lawe i o ko kau mai ki aia Steveni Whehoko, Whinau a Whiaki, Kerry Mataele pea mo Natalia Palo Lato. I he whiawhini mo i whafofonga o ko te keike mau mai me he MPI ai a koe kau pēnolo ia o e whiawhini ke whiauhi koe ni o e wala matatahi kai pe he foki ki he whiauhi koe ni o e taleniti. I he taim tatau pe o ko i ei foki mo e wakai i he hiri pe koe ia a hono whakahoko koe ia mono whaari ari koe ia e whiauhi koe ni te unga koe ni matatahi e hoko atai pe ki whaari ari whahoko ia he kele a maka floor show pea ka kakanto ko ia e hoko atai pe foki ki he taha o e ngahi whaari ari e whahoko ia e he Miss Heilala ko ia o e tau ko o si wanoa wa wha ki he wanoa wanima. Pea I he taim tatau pe o kei foke wakai o kahiri pe whari ari ko ia e hoko atoi pe ki he whakamau I ko ia o e whiauhi tale niti ko ia ki he e whiawhini. E tau whamalo ia I pea ngahe kau taha koe nau tōnia whapaanga. Kai malawa ki whamafolanga tōno atu e whiauhi ko ia o e ahoni. Iai foki ai wakai ko mele tā auwha e whahoko a ene whari ari ai koe ne hiwa. Ai a koe ne hiwa e whahoko ia I he whiawhini. Pea e whahoko atai pe mo lea whamalo e lovely maka koe tare kita ia e Tonga Tourism Authority Board I he whiawhini ia. Pea e whahoko atai pe pea mo e loto toko e he whaiwhekau selala tai la kepa. Ko ia I he hauani ia e se tita koe whoke wakai I he e whiawhini. O ko fia ai ni ihi ko ia nau lava mai I he whiawhini pea ko tui pe o ku wau tono atu ki he tampa kotoa pe I he leto tonga uloa ki kai umafoke ua kai umaatau tonga broadcasting live streaming I he whiawhini. Ha o wakai ki he whiawhini o wakai atu ko ia ki he teu koni o Amanaki ki whakahoko.
Malo apito halafu e koloi I he mawhainga mali e ko e hanga pea wakai e whine moini ki he palo ki he polo kalama o whakahoko I he whiawhini o ku tokolahi mai whaki ai kakai o kunau whia mamata ki he polo kalama o e pongpongi ni. Ai whaali o e teunga matatahi pia mo e whiauhi tale niti o e kau whiwhine pia o kau whine mui ko nau veipa moloto lahi ki nau kau mai ki he polo kalama Miss Heilala o ta o wanoa wanima. Ko I katoanga Heilala foki o ku tahaia I ngai mea o ku mahulu hake ia I ha whakawhiwhia ko ha whakahai mo uia I laukau mo tuunga o ilo kita ko e tonga. O ku whaali foki aia nga whakawhonua, tuku whakaholo mo laukau aki kita ko e hoi fua a tonga. O ku ikai ko ha katoanga pe ai Miss Heilala, pe ko ha tala noa ka o ku tala I he whaiva whakaholo mamata. Anga whawhonua tala o tau anga whawhonua mo tau tala tuku whakaholo kai pehe ki he whiwhia whakaloko fua o ikai ke ngata pe I he kau whine mui ko nau veipa ke polo kalama o whiawhini kai ke kau mamata hono katoa. Malo apito halafue.
Malo apito e se tita pea kei foki e lawe I he houani mea hene tahine whawhi whalangi pea o ku teu ato e pe foki ke tau kau whakataha pea mo e o ngō MC ko ia o e whiawhini aia e tataki at foki ia e Salote siswha ka e umaa foki lawe e iloa ola aia ko e o ngō MC ia ko ia pe ko e ki naua tēnā tataki ko ia ngai tō e tau polo kalama ki he whiawhini I he whiauhi ko ia wala matatahi kai pe he foki whiauhi tale niti pia hakin pe ko ia mo mea I kai pe ke sola taha ke o ngō MC ko ia o e whiawhini ai au na tataki maupe e ngahi o waulalahi ai whonua pia tātau te whito ko ia ki ngahi whiauhi ko ia e kātoanga Heilala pia ko ia ai te tau teu pe ke tau kau whataha pia mo e o ngō MC ki ono tataki ko ia ai whiauhi ko ia o e whiawhini pia ko ia I he hauani ko mea heni ai tahine whawhi whalangilangi o e aho ai a ko Honourable Lupepau'u Tuita Taione I he hauani. Hange pe ko ia mo mea mai ki ai te tau kau whataha I pehe pea mo yongo MC ko ia o e whiawhini na tataki a te proklama I hauani Salote siswha.
Whatapu pea mo e awhio ai tolta hai o tua I ho tau loto ngā I he hauani. Whatapu pea mo e hawa tonga ka koe ni awhio ki tupo wono. Whatapu pea mo e tahine kuini na Lupepau'u. Ka watene whakatapu ki he pilinisi ka launi o tonga, tupo toa ulkalala. Whakatapu pea mo e tahine prinsesi ka launi sinai takala, ki he prinsesi Purea, tahine ko Salote pilolevu Tuita. Pea wata e whakatapu mo e whaapaheni ki he tahaine, ka koe eiki whaafalanglangi o e whiawhini. Eiki Salote, Salamasina, Purea, Vahine Arii oi hau Tuita, Taione. Ka koe eiki whawhalanglangi tau proklama o e whiawhini. Whakatapu, pia moe whanau, pia moe mapuna hou eki o tau ka whakataha i e houa koeni. Whakatapu atu e ngahi lakanga kotoa pē o whakatapua. Whakatapu heni, pia mo Honourable Dulcie Day, kai pehe ki e kau whakamau e proklama koia o e whiawhini. Whakatapu mawahe heni ki he Miss Tonga, Miss Heilala, Rachel Goodenbell, koe Miss Pacific, Litara, Jeremiah Allen, kai pehe foki ki he Miss Cook Islands o tau kau whakataha i he whiawhini. O kwai e whakatapu ki e kau whiawhine e toko fitu aia nau veipā ki he kalauni koia Heilala o wanoa wanima. Pea tala mo ka pui, pea moe whakatapu ka kato o e whonua, pea moe lotu, kai ata e tau proklama koia o e whiawhini, kai ata mua ki a tek maua, ko lawe iloa ola, kai pehe ki e whinmotu ani, Salote siswha, te mawhakatau kei atu e tau proklama koia o e whiawhini, o whaihono tātale leik mou tolong kotoa ki ai.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to first acknowledge the almighty presence of God in our midst here this evening. We'd also like to acknowledge their majesties, King Tupou VI and Her Majesty Queen Lupepau'u Tuku'aho. We'd also like to acknowledge the Crown Prince of the Kingdom of Tonga, His Royal Highness Tupouto'a Nuku'alofa, and the Crown Princess, Her Royal Highness Princess Sinaitakala Tuku'aho. We'd also like to acknowledge this evening the Princess Royale, Salote Mafi Tuita, and especially our guest of honour this evening, Honourable Lupepau'u Tuita Taione. Ladies and gentlemen, can we put our hands together for our esteemed guest of honour this evening, Honourable Lupepau'u? We are so honoured that you would make time to be with us tonight for our Heilala Festival. Also like to acknowledge Honourable Dulcie Day, also for the Minister of Tourism, Honourable Mo'ale, our reigning Miss Pacific Islands, Litara Jeremiah Allen, our reigning Miss Heilala, Miss Rachel Gootenbale, and also our reigning Miss Cook Islands, Ngate Paeru Marie Mawate, and not forgetting all of our beautiful contestants tonight who are vying for the title of Miss Heilala 2025-2026. And to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, and distinguished guests who come tonight, welcome to Miss Heilala 2025. Without any further ado, we'd kindly like to ask Reverend Sela Lataila Kepa if she would kindly make her way to the podium to open tonight's proceedings in a word of prayer. Malo Aupito.
Malo Aupito pe a koukole peke uhufanga e whakatapu, ki ves folofola o e ahoko e ni, te ulawa pe ki ves folofola he lea whakatonga, lea whapapalangi pe au whaiha tau lotu. Ki ves maalie, ma tiu vai hongo fulu ves tahao no, pe a koeni o kou whekau ke mou o atu o mou hange, ko hawhanga sipi i he lotolotonga o hawhanga ulofi. Ko iai, ai ke mou olo poto o hange ko hangata, moanga malu o hange ko halupe. In English, Matthew chapter 10, verse 16, I'm sending you out like sheep among wolves, therefore be as shrewd as snakes and as innocent as doves. Whakakaukau o kuape, o lo poto, o hange hangata, o ai whakaafe i he kovi, o ai afe ki he kovi, o ai mapelu ki he kovi. Anga malu hange halupe, anga totoka, manako ki he lelei, loto maa, pia mo totonu. Whakatauangi ke pehe, a e tau inasi he po mahu inga mo make he koeni. Let us pray. Father, we thank you so much for this wonderful evening where we will witness the talent and the beauty of your creation. These wonderful women, young ladies who have gathered here this evening will showcase all the gifts that you have instilled in them. We thank you for their bravery and we thank you for their courage. And we ask that you be upon them and guide them with bravery and encourage them, O Lord, to be gloriful in your sight. Tamayok mauhanga ke afiona mau whawheta iko hiko tahine whakawhi whakalangilangi eiki Salote Lupepau'u. Ka maa Miss South Pacific, Miss Heilala, ka maa kau whewhine nau loto lahi, ke mau mamata I he tale niti ka maa whakawhoofa I whakatupu e afiona. Koe ni o whaino hino he wholofola ai ke poto. Poto hange hangata. Pia ai ke anga moko mo anga malu o hange ko halupe. Koe tala ia e whiawhini. Pia whakatauangi ke hifo ho lau maari o tatake e ngāwe hono kotoa pē. O mau hu mo kole i he wafa sisu kalaisi ko alo ka ko mau whamo ui. Amen. Alo.
Whamalo atu, whai whekao sela la taila kepa ta take tau proklama ko ia e whiawhini a ki ai lotu ko ia. Iene pe o ko atueni ai kole ko e whafofonga aini e pot ngāwe tak mamata ko ia a Tonga. Aia ko e CEO, pe ko Chief Executive Officer leo eni e pot ngāwe. Tuita vai lea, kene lava mai o whahoko, ai lea tautari o e whiawhini. I'd now like to call on the welcoming remarks, which will be conducted by the Acting CEO of the Ministry of Tourism, Tuita vai lea.
Koe talaofa ki e ko kamata ki e tau katoanga e whiawhini. Ia ko kore ke u whakamalu at beai. Ka e whakakato e whatongia. Ko whainasi ke motuan. E whafofonga atu ai Tangatai Minister. A behe ke CEO. O e potungawe tak mamata. Sea o e pate ngai mama whai tak mamata. Kau mai paresteni. Ngahi bisnisi whakatak mamata katoa pe i tongan. Harea taritari. E whakahonga ai tuku mau taimi. Katau kau whakataho mo ki mautolu. I ono kātoa ngai e malari. E wike Heilala. E tau koe ni. Distinguished guests and the members of the diplomatic corps, I wish to extend the friendliest greetings from the Minister of Tourism, the CEO, the Chair Lady for the Tonga Tourism Authority, as well as the President for the Tonga Tourist Association. We are deeply honored of your presence here with us. And the same goes to the reigning Misses, Miss Tonga, the Miss Pacific Island, and the Miss Cook Islands. Tari li loto mga whana atu, kau sponsor ko to abe, kumuwala ni mamay ke tau kau nga whakafua e whatongia, amo ngai kawenga e wiki Heilala ko ni, kai ngata be mo ngai tokoni whakaipaanga, tokoni whakaimea ngāwe, kakumautu e lava mai he whiawhini, e tau kau ngau kau hono whakawhiawhia, ka mono whakalangi, ai tūnga whine mui hoi fua, ko nau loto toa, ke vei pā, ke kalauni o Miss Heilala, o e tau koe ni. Ate tari roto mga whana i pēki he, kau whine mui hoi fua ko toko toa ko ia. O mou roto toa pa mou kau waha mai he hala whono ngā me hinga hitapa kehe o Tonga pa mai otu muri, o whie kau whakataha. I hono kātoa ngai e malari, e weke Heilala koe ni. Pehe ai tari rei atu. Kau pou ko toa pe, me ngai whāmiria kau whine mui, o kua Amanaki ke nau kau ki ngai whiauhi, māroho mou teke mui, ka māroho mou pou, wharatolahi. Ki he kau whine mui hoi fua, lawa ke whakahoko ai e kātoa ngani. Pehe tari roto maa whana. Ki motoro ko toa pe, o mea mai he o pe. Tau kau whakataha i he whiawhini, o te tari rei ka teki motoro. Whamiri ko toa pe, mai maheni e potu ngawe tak mamata. O tau lonuku ko toa i he whare koe ni, o atu e tari loto maa whana mo oni, o e honga ia i ho mou kau ngā kau mo ki mautoru. O e ngahi whakalaka mo e ngahi liriu, o hange ia ko e veteka o taimia o kai ke lava ia tawhi. Milo pe ia ko ki tau toru pe, te tau hanga mapure, ai ngahi taau, kene uesia ai whanonga o tau whai. A koe, kaweinga e ko whotu, wike Heilala e tau ni. Mahawinga ke pāo tau laki ho tau kuohiri, kene hanga whakawhotunga ho tau kahau. A ku pehe, ai kaweinga pa moe whakakau. Ko whotu he komiti pa pehe ke he kau mau mawhai. A pau pauna i kai ane awhi, he i kai ha ahoni. A pau i kai ahoni, hei kai a pongpongi. Mau inga rewa ke tau tauhi pa tau kuku ke mau. E ngahi koloa o e ane awhi. Hoko ia ke neanga whakafotunga haka hau. Oku mau uluta ia e tau no fo. Pea malu ia tala ho tau whanua. Pe hea e whakakamu pea moe whakakaukau. Aho ni mo tau whakailonga i e kamata. Ko e kātonga ko nimo no ngahi whakawhiewhia. Kai ki peke puri. Ko kamata peke asia ngahi longo a. Kai kai ke tau to'o pe ai lere kai tuku ai kowi. Kore at. Ai ke mua e merino i he tau ngahi whiauhi o no kotokotoa pe. Ko e tau kau kotokotoa pe pe mahoi ngataha pe ai whiewhia. Ia ngahi whakakaukau ko ia. Ko e api o takimamata. O kuia ko e api ko lata anga. Pea ku pehe ha feitu pe o ia takimamata i tongani pe moha feitu pe. Ko e whakaabu ke hoko ia ko tau lata anga. Tuku ke hoko, ai feitu ni ko tau lata anga he toenga tuko e ni, pia ke tau whiauhi whiewhia, ko e whamiri peta, ko e whamiri ki tau tore takimamata. Lewa i malang, tua what.
Malo au pito fotuika vailea, ai koe tale kita pule loele o koia ai potungau e takimamata ai Pureanga tonga. Au hau eke mo kainga, wha malo atu pe o mo lava mai koe e whiawhini, kauene he whiawhi whakamawhana, e whiawhi whakawhiawhia, ka koe e whiawhi whakaholomamata, tawa o sia koe a wike Heilala koe o e tauni wāwhi māwanima. Ka ki mua ia pe hoko atu ki he tau polokalama, mahalo mahu inga e Salote ki lua ki whaihaki i lave, ki e moe waka i whoki ki ngahi tutuni koe e whareni i e whiawhini pe tau toki hoko atu.
Thank you, Lavulo. As you're all aware of, this is the first time that this indoor stadium is open to public in this kind of space, and it's the first time that the Heilala has been hosted here. So with that comes rules, and it's important that we lay out some house rules before we start with our program this evening. Firstly, so the public who are still watching from home, or for those of you that are still driving around, it's free. Upstairs of this arena is free, so you're more than welcome. At the moment, tau wakai hake ki he, hange koe te tau ngoto ki hihifo e lawe iloa ola, koe whahai whakahaha kei a tā au pito pe, pea ko whakawhe ia te ai kakai e whanua, mo kei mea mai koia mei apina, mo tol koia o kei whewhanonga ake ngahi mea lele o a tā au pito, pea tae totongi, mo mea mai o whakaahonga e whainga maari e koe ni. Ki he tau ngahi house rules koia o e whiawhini, o ko mauinga pe hange koe lawe ko tok fofua taimene o tau ngau aki ai arena koe ni, tong high school indoor stadium, ko le atu uluaki ko mo ngahi veve, o mauinga au pito ke tau tauhi ai whaleni ke maa, i e tuunga koia ko tuku mai aki ke tau ngau aki, koia ka pau iai ha ki veve, ke tō ho ki veve, wakai e ngai wheitu tuku anga veve ave ki ai. Ka ke siat lewa ka taha o tafa aki, o kulakui e veve, tā tāat ki ai, wahino anga e ne veve, pakaikai, ka taki atu koe o anga whakasamaritani o tō ki veve koia. Ua ki ai, o ku mahu inga ko hia koe whiauhi o e whiawhini, ko re atu kau poupou, tau whaha e tau poupou, show our support with some kind cheers and claps, mo osi mea i pe e whaunga to tonu koe ke whai ake a poupou, pa kore ke whai ake lau maari e koia. Ia taim da tau, koe wakai koia hu whangai whakatapu, the bathrooms. So for on top, we have the exits on the left there. Right down those doors are the bathrooms, and the same for upstairs on my right, or to the western side, the bathrooms are up there. On the floor level, if we look where I'm pointing at the moment, to the left and the right side, those doors take you through to the bathrooms. There are security and also staff around. If you need help, do not hesitate to ask. So without any further ado, I believe that's about the rules. And once again, just reminding respect and attentiveness throughout the program.
We're going to move into our opening item this evening, but I see it's very quiet out there in the indoor stadium tonight. So the girls are a little bit nervous. It's their first time to come out on stage. So we're going to just warm up our cheers tonight to practice so that they feel really, really energized on the stage tonight. I'm going to count to 3, and I want you guys to cheer and shout as loud as you can tonight, just to test the temperature in the room. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. You know, That's okay, but I thought I was in the kingdom of Tonga. So let's try that one more time. Make a loud noise, people. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, I believe we are ready to welcome our reigning Miss Heilala and our 7 contestants for Miss Heilala 2025. Please make them warmly welcome as they grace the stage tonight with our opening item. Mō paspasi mai, ai Miss Heilala Lonotonga, he makauwhine mui o toko whitu.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Rachel Goodbell, Miss Heilala, Miss Tonga 2024-2025. We now would like to call on the 7 contestants who are vying for Miss Heilala 2025. Please make your way in. Paspasi mai ko kauwhine moye ne ngau veipa. Te Miss Heilala wanoa wanima.
Matafi ai tonga, he mataele o elangi, kai tuia ange a, hoto sisi fungani, na e toriaki me apiko utuone, halatuku tonga e, taulanga salote. He mataele o elangi, kai tuia ange a, hoto sisi fungani, na e toriaki me apiko utuone, halatuku tonga e, taulanga salote, o kahuni e pei o manu mataongo, te alea a toa ko aho panilolo, fungaha a mokoe, moi hala he koni, si I Holy Cross to hi aiele koti, angi te ahaka o ka oso e maahi, filohi
siu mafuauta ka e talano aki he fungafaua.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Heilala 2024 and 2025 and your 7 contestants vying for the title of Miss Heilala 2025. Mo pasmasi imai ai Miss Heilala Lolotonga pe voki tau whinimu e toko hongo e toko fitu o ke nau veipa kuia ki he kalauni o Miss Heilala o ta uafe mawanima. We'll now be moving to introduce our reigning Miss Heilala and our current 7 contestants tonight. Can we put our hands together as she returns to the stage right now for our reigning Miss Heilala 2024-2025, one and only Rachel Gutenbale.
Maloelele and greetings to you all. As my reign comes to an end this Friday, I would like to take this opportunity to have my final walk as your reigning Miss Heilala for 2024-2025, Rachel Angelica Omanakakapu Kutenbell, Malo Apito and Opalahiatu.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Miss Heilala, Miss Star 2024-2025, Rachel Gutenbell. Introducing contestant number 1 of our 7 contestants for this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, if you think you have seen anything with that first performance, you haven't seen anything yet. Please help me welcome on stage Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia, Miss Arii Pisa, Tanuvasa, Chou Mateolona.
Guests of honor, panel of judges, ladies and gentlemen, Maloelele. I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of our islands, to acknowledge our ancestors who've paved the way, our wise elders, and our aspiring emerging future. Ko hoku hingua, ko Arii Pisa, Tanuvasa Chou. I'm 22 years young. I hail from the beautiful village of Kolomotua, and I reside on the central coast of Sydney, Australia. I am certified in human resources and aged care, so I'm a proud nurse working in aged care, where I'm hoping to further my studies in a few more months so I can also hopefully come back to the Pacific and serve in medical aid. I'm also a Polynesian entertainer with the Spirit of the Islands Dance Company. I'm a photographer, storyteller, craftsman worker, you name it. I'm so grateful for the ambitious heart that God's given me to serve Him. 24/7, I'm a big sister to my beautiful brothers, Joseph, Leland, Jordan, and Josiah. And my journey to womanhood has inspired me in many ways and taught me a lot of things, which is why I strongly advocate towards ending family, domestic, sexual violence and the inhumane act of human trafficking. is okay to not be okay. So if you or someone you know is struggling, please reach out or pray for God's protection and comfort over you. I'm not here only to embrace my Tongan side, but to learn so that I can pass this knowledge down to my brothers. I stand before you proudly as Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia. Malo, malo, malo opito.
Miss Arii, Pisa, Tanuvasa, Chou, Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia. Miss Arii is a kind-hearted, compassionate individual with a passion for life. I'm a motivated human being who enjoys helping people in various ways. I work at the retirement village to serve our elders. When I'm not working, I'm a performer with Spirit of the Island Dance Company that also volunteers our time to aged cares and teaching Pacific dance to children. I love volunteering for my communities, and when I'm not doing either, I love being creative, whether that's dancing in my spare time, photography, gardening, painting, roller skating, poetry, and more. I love nature and want to take care of it. I'm a grounded girl who is proud of where I come from. I'm ambitious and strong-willed. I'm a big sister of 4 little brothers who mean the world to me. I'm on my journey so that I can teach them and ensure a better future for them. I grew up in a domestic violence household, and it had strengthened me to stand up for a cause and ensure safer families. I'm also an advocate to end human trafficking, modern slavery, which is now affecting our people in Australia and Tonga. Above all, I give glory to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Arii Pisa Tanuvasa Chou believes she is who she is because of her Lord, and I am planning to take the next step in her career and study to become a registered nurse at Sydney Western University, and her passion is to serve within our island. Malo Aupito, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia, Miss Arii Pisa Tanuvasa Chou.
Next to us on stage this evening is Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana Patricia Lavulo Tonga'uiha.
Welcome, distinguished and honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen. Malo lele, my name is Siosi'ana Patricia Lavulo Robert Tonga'uiha, and I am here representing as Miss Pangaimotu Island. It is a joy to be here with you in the Kingdom of Tonga. I'm so thankful for this opportunity to serve as contestant number 2. Malo aupito.
My name is Siosi'ana Patricia Lavulo Tonga'uiha, or Miss Pangaimotu Island. I was born in Germany and raised in the United States and Canada, but my heart has always been rooted to the Kingdom of Tonga. I am a Tongan and French descent, proudly representing Fasimoya Fiankotu. I'm 24 years old, a graduate of Biola University, where I earned a degree in Business Marketing Management, minoring in Theological Studies. My education has deepened my understanding of faith, leadership, and service. In my free time, I enjoy travel, volleyball, and dance. At the core of who I am is a deep love for my faith and my family. They are my greatest support, my foundation that I firmly stand on. moulding the values that I am guided by. I believe that true beauty shines when it reflects the love of Christ through service, humility, and compassion. I've had the privilege of working for the Samaritan's Purse, a humanitarian organisation that has allowed me to serve communities in need around the world, providing aid, hope, and healing in the name of Jesus. My goal is to share the beauty of Tonga and encourage thoughtful changes that will build a stronger future. I walk into this journey humbly, with love for our kingdom and the courage to glorify God in all that I do. Join me on this journey as I carry the voice of our people, connect our Tongan communities around the world, and reflect the hopes of a generation rooted in culture, faith, and in purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your contestant number 2, Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana, Patricia, Lavulo, Tonga'uiha.
Contestant number 3 for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Tongatapu. Round of applause for Fungalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki, Mafi.
Maloelele Tonga, ko Hokwingoa, ko Fungalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi, ko lele mai me niwa fo'o, ha'apai, funga wa maufanga, halatuya kolo fo'o. I am proud to be your Miss Tongatapu.
Hokingoa, ko Fungalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi. Lele mai pe me niwa fo'o, ha'apai, funga wa maufanga, pe moe hala tu'i kolo fo'o, ka ko nofo I he whanga o Pilo Levu. I am the daughter of Mele Amanaki and the late Sebastiano Mafi. I was raised by a village of service, where values of lototo, humility, whakaapa, respect, Vevei tokai aki, sharing, and tauhiva, maintaining relations, were deeply instilled in me. I began my education at Tonga Side School, graduated from Tonga High School in 2018. I'd gone on to complete my Bachelor of Laws at the Victoria University of Wellington in New Zealand. My journey has been one rooted in faith, in family, and service. And I now serve with a strong sense of purpose in the Prime Minister's office, aiming to contribute meaningfully to our nation's sustainable development. I have taken up interest in our national security, where education, agriculture, safe environments, and health is an important factor to our livelihood. In my spare time, I embrace well-being through CrossFit, with Fit Life Tonga, playing the guitar, a little bit of singing, walking along our waterfronts, reading devotions, and journaling. I find joy in listening to island music and Afro beats, and I am strengthened through fellowship with strong women of God. I believe this platform is an opportunity to remind our people of their identity as proud Tongans, and in a world full of shifting values and instability, my goal is to help our people be seen and heard, to remain firm in our faith and values so that they may carry themselves with dignity in body, mind, and soul. May my journey show that with God's grace and the spirit of Talanoa, Tauhiva, and Ofa, that all things are possible. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Miss Tongatapu, Fungalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi.
Our next contestant to grace the stage this evening is contestant number 4, Miss Ha'apai Masani, Andi Liliani Olie.
lei tonga. Ko hoku ingoa, ko ati liniana o Olie. Ko fafu Fungalaau atu, ai Miss Ha'apai Masani, wanoa wanima. Ko kulele mai, me sila pelua, vai ko puna, Ha'apai Masani ka atoa. Lile avai o vuna, pemo apia Western Samoa. Whawhetai malo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ha'apai Masani, Ati Liliana Olie, is 18 years old. I come from the village of Kolo, Lofanga, and Kotu Ha'apai, as well as Ha'ateho, Pea, Tongua, and Pangaimotu. While I hold deep pride in all these places that make up my roots, I am honored to be representing the beautiful island of Ha'apai Masani in this year's Heilala Festival. I am the eldest of 3 siblings, and my parents, Lukenunu Aikavale, Olie, and Olivia Olie, have always been my greatest source of love, strength, and guidance. Growing up as the oldest has helped me develop a strong sense of responsibility and care for those around me. I spent most of my childhood in Tonga, and in 2019 my family migrated to Ha'apai, which has played an important role in shaping who I am today. I am currently pursuing a degree in accounting and economics at the University of the South Pacific. I am passionate about education and believe in the power of hard work, continuous learning, and personal development. In my free time, I enjoy spending quality time with my family and my friends. I am deeply proud of our culture and aspire to be a positive role model for young Tongan women. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your contestant number 4, Miss Ha'apai Masani, Ati Liliana Olie.
Introducing on stage your contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA, Miss Siniva Kulena Violeti Tuavao.
Siniva kulena violeti toavao. Kwa kulele mai me lotofoa, pangai ha'apai, maunga one, lofanga, ofu, pale vai vava'u motala fo'o. Bego fia ke whaka pupongai a Miss SNS USA, ua noa ua nima. Malo.
Young contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA, Siniva Kulena Violeti Tuavao. Miss Tuavao was born on December 21st, 2003 to loving parents Salesi Tuavao from Ha'apai, Pangai, Poa, Lofanga, also from Ko'ui, Ha'laufuli, Tefisi, and Mo'ungaone. Her mother, Wailupe Ileana Taulepa, Tuavao, who hails from Vava'u, Opu, Tuanuku, Tefisi, Palevai, Kapa, Mangia, Talafo'o, Ahau, Otea, Mo'ungaone, and Pukotala. Miss SNS USA graduated with honors from Concord High School in June 2022. In May 2023 to November 2024, served a full-time mission for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in Nuku'alofa, Tonga Mission. She's registered with the BYU pathway to commence studies in September 2025 towards becoming a teacher. Ladies and gentlemen, our contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA, Sineva Kulena Violeti Tuavao.
Our next contestant to grace the stage this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is your contestant number 6, Miss Current of Love Charity Vava'u, Talita Victoria Eseta Moala Fainga'a.
Malo elele, ko hoku ingoa ko Talita Victoria Eseta Moala Fainga'a. Ko klele mai aku mi Heilala Pageant, kolo Vahine, uiha hapai, paki mo toi mo kolo kakala, aloi talau e lota neafu, Vava'u lahi. I'm proudly representing the Current of Love Charity Vava'u. Malo.
My name is Talita Fainga'a, and I am from the beautiful island of Vava'u. I'm the youngest of 4 siblings and was raised by my loving mother after the passing of my father 6 years ago. Growing up, my family has always shared a deep love for the outdoors. We enjoy spending time at the beach and going on camping trips together. These experiences shaped my passion for nature and outdoor activities such as dancing, hiking and diving. I recently completed my Bachelor of Science degree in Hospitality and Tourism Management from Brigham Young University in Hawaii. My time at university allowed me to develop valuable skills and gain practical experience in serving others, managing tourism operations and understanding the importance of culture in hospitality. It also helped me become more confident in working with people from diverse backgrounds and cultures. My goal is to pursue higher education and continue gaining professional experience in the tourism and hospitality field. I want to be in a position where I can support youth development and aim to give back to my family and community who have supported and inspired me throughout my journey. I believe that with dedication, education and cultural pride, I can make a positive difference in the lives of others and be a role model for the younger generation. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, this is your contestant number 6, Miss Current of Love Charity Vava'u, Talita Victoria Eseta Moala Fainga'a.
Ladies and gentlemen, last to grace us this evening on the stage, we invite Miss Takeaway Creations, Miss Malia Toatepi Tonga'uiha.
Kato ngai, ho tau whatunga motua, ko haka hau e tu uloa ma'ai tonga. Celebrating our heritage, shaping our future. Whakatapu ki he tau kakapa, whakatulo atu ki he matanga. Ka lawe atu ki o ku pui tua. Ko hoku ingoa ko Malia to tepi Tonga'uiha. O ko lele mai me he mapu avaya mo e funga mahu e wha. Isa, ai esi ko la baka mea mo he lala fuitahi. Kai whewhe a esi ko maafu mo e otu kinikina. O ko whiawhia mo e loto lahi. Ko whakapopongai ai Miss Takeaway Creation ua whiunima. Malo apito.
Mysticaway Creations, Malia Toatepi Tonga'uiha proudly hails from Pungaimotu, Mapuavaya, Esi Kolopau Kamea, Ovaka Vava'u, Me Otu Kinekina, Esio Maapu, Pelemea Ha'apai. She is driven by her love for travel and service. Toatepi is currently pursuing her studies at the New Zealand Travel and Tourism School. She has a goal of one day becoming a flight attendant. Beyond her career aspirations, she is deeply committed to raising awareness and advocating for action on climate change, understanding its urgent threat to Tonga and the Pacific. In her free time, Toatepi enjoys cooking and cherishes quiet moments with her family. She especially values listening to stories passed down through generations as a way to learn more about Tongan history, culture, and identity. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, Mysticaway Creations, Malia Toatepi Tonga'uiha.
To our guest of honour and our distinguished guests this evening, ladies and gentlemen, can we put our hands together for all of our stunning contestants vying for the title of Miss Heilala 2025 tonight? Now, Salote, tonight we are judging 2 categories in our Miss Heilala pageant for the week. We've already had the pre-interview, that was yesterday, but could you tell us what we're going to be judging in tonight's competition?
That's right, love it, Iloa'ola. Tonight, I guess for those of you that are present here, you would think with that entertainment that you've just seen and also their walk that anything out of that was judged. No, we have not even got to that. So tonight we have 2 judging events. We have the Sarong wear and we also have the talent. So be prepared for that. Also like to remind those that are present here and those that are viewing online and those that are joining us with Television Tonga, Broadcom, and all the telecasts that are happening throughout the Pacific, that the results of tonight, just like that of the first judging event, will not be announced tonight, or this will be collated and will be announced on the finale, which is Friday night this evening. So that's how it's going to be. We've got 2 events tonight. We have the Sarong wear and we also have the talent wear. And coming up next, we would like to thank those that have made it happen, which is actually our major sponsors for this evening, the Heilala Supreme, who have made it happen with their generous donations to Heilala 2025. Let's take a look at that.
To introduce our valued sponsors for the Heilala Festival 2025, whose generous support helps make this celebration possible. Supreme sponsors, sponsoring 50,000 Tongan Pa'anga and above. We proudly acknowledge the government of the Kingdom of Tonga through the Ministry of Tourism, Tonga Tourism Authority, and Tonga Tourism Association, our national tourism private sector association. as organizer of the Heilala Festival each and every year. Their unwavering support, leadership, and commitment to preserving and promoting Tongan culture have been instrumental in making this festival a national celebration of pride, unity, and heritage. Fiji Airways. We are proud to welcome Fiji Airways, our national carrier, and now a full member of the One World Alliance. Recently awarded for excellence in destination marketing and staff training, Fiji Airways also achieved record passenger numbers this year, demonstrating their continued growth and global impact as they connect the world to the Pacific with pride.
Our major sponsors tonight of Miss Heilala 2025. It's also important this evening to acknowledge that the Heilala Festival and Miss Heilala is a collaboration of the various entities that make up Tonga tourism here in the Kingdom of Tonga. The Ministry of Tourism, which is the government, and Tonga Tourism Authority, which is a government board, and the Tonga Tourist Association, which is the national private sector body, comprising the major tourism operators as its members in Tongatapu, Vava'u, Ha'apai, Eua, Niuatotapu, and Nuku'alofa, which is an excellent example of public-private partnership to promote the closer working relationship of the government and private sector.
The Miss Heilala Pageant is promoted and a prominent part of Tonga's annual Heilala Festival. This began in 1979. This was established by the Tongan Visitors Bureau, which is now the Ministry of Tourism, and the Tonga Tourist Association, of whom the Crown Prince of the day, Tupouto'a, later becoming King George Tupou V, was a patron of the association, and the festival was to celebrate the birthday of the late King Tauwha'ahau Tupou IV.
Now, the festival and the pageant are named after the Heilala flower, that's Tonga's national flower, which holds high significance in Tongan culture. The pageant has become a significant event, attracting both local and diaspora Tongan communities, with contestants vying for the title of Miss Heilala. The Heilala Beauty Pageant is a highlight of Tonga's Heilala Festival. It celebrates not only beauty, but also cultural pride, intelligence, and community values. The pageant aims to empower young Tongan women and promote national identity.
The pageant also includes various judging categories such as the interviews, the talent displays, traditional dances, the taolonga, and also the sarong wear. The pageant draws significant attention from Tongan communities both locally and internationally. The pageant continues to be a prominent part of the Tongan culture and a source of community engagement, with this year marking the 46th anniversary of its establishment. The pre-pageant interview, we're going to head on to announcing the prizes for this year, Heilala Pageant prizes and awards for 2025. The pre-pageant interview winner will receive cash prize of 1,500 pa'anga. The first runner-up with 1,000 pa'anga and the second runner-up with 700 pa'anga.
For the talent competition, of which that's being run tonight, the winner will receive 1,000 pa'anga, the first runner-up will receive 700 pa'anga, and the second runner-up will receive 500 pa'anga.
Also on tonight's judging event is the Sarong competition. The winner will receive 500 pa'anga, first runner-up with 350 pa'anga, and second runner-up with 200 pa'anga.
For the pageant Taualunga competition, which is being held tomorrow evening, the winner will receive 1,000 pa'anga, the first runner-up will receive 700 pa'anga, and the second runner-up will receive 500 pa'anga.
For the Puletaha competition, the winner will take 1,000 pa'anga, first runner-up 700 pa'anga, and second runner-up at 500 pa'anga.
For the Island Creation competition, the winner will take home 2,000 pa'anga, the first runner-up will take 1,500 pa'anga, and the second runner-up will take 1,000 pa'anga.
This year there's also special awards for Miss Tourism Awards, 500 pa'anga, the Miss Popularity or the Internet, 500 pa'anga, Miss Personality, 500 pa'anga, Miss Photogenic, 500 pa'anga, and the Best Taulunga Creation takes away 1,000 pa'anga.
And finally, the prizes for the overall winner. The winner of Miss Heilala will take home 10,000 pa'anga. The first runner-up will take 7,000 pa'anga. Second runner-up will be 5,000 pa'anga. Third runner-up will be 3,000 pa'anga. The fourth runner-up will be 2,000 pa'anga. And the consolations will be 300 pa'anga. Let's put our hands together for all the sponsors that have made this possible and these amazing cash prizes this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very honoured this evening to be here in the Kingdom of Tonga for her very first visit to the Friendly Islands, the reigning Miss Cook Islands, Ngate Paeru Marie Mawate. Do we have any Cook Islanders in the house tonight visiting Tonga? To all our Cook Islanders here tonight, kia orana e ki manuia i te atua ki koutou katoa toa tātou tangata iti kuki ai rani o Tonga nei. Oro mai, tūro, aira mai ki Tonga. We'd like to welcome you all tonight. Can we get ready to give a warm Tongan and Rarotongan welcome this evening, as we're going to have a special performance on the stage tonight from the reigning Miss Cook Islands, the one and only Ngate Paeru Marie Mawate. Kia orana.
Ki
showcasing the beauty of the Cook Islands. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the reigning Miss Cook Islands, Ngate Paeru, Marie Mawate, me taki maata.
This is an exceptional year for Heilala Lavulo because in its time that we have 3 Queens of the Pacific with us. We have our very own Miss Heilala, Miss Tonga, Rachel Goodenbell. We also have Miss Samoa, Miss Pacific, and Miss Cook Islands. So we're very grateful for this year, having all 3 of you in country. Now we move on to what we've all been waiting for, which is the judging events for this evening. The first judging event, of course, is the Sarong wear. But before that, let me introduce your panel of judges for this evening. Our panel of judges this evening, the chair lady of the judges, may I introduce the Honourable Tulsi Day.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, our first judge this evening is Miss Finau Afeaki. Finau Afeaki is a 44-year-old co-director of Siosi'ana's Polynesian Dance Academy. Raised in a family of entertainers, she is also a talented singer and experienced MC, having hosted major events across the kingdom. Finau has spent many years working with winning Miss Heilala Pageant teams, contributing her expertise and cultural insight. As a mentor, she continues to empower the future generation and strengthen cultural pride through the art of dance. Our judge number 1 tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Finau Afeaki.
Our second judge for this evening, Miss Carrie Cowley Mataele. Ms. Carrie Cowley Mataele resides in Nuku'alofa. She's a business entrepreneur and operates a shipping agent, Trans-Pacific, and a cafe called Waves Cafe. Carrie was Miss Heilala in 1986. She also represented Tonga as Miss Tonga at the Miss World pageant as well. Carrie also played for the national netball team of Tonga. Yay! And she currently is the president of the Ladies Connect Night Market Committee. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Carrie Cowley Mataele.
Ladies and gentlemen, judge number 3 tonight is the reigning Miss Pacific Islands, Litara Yeremia Allen. As a reigning Miss Samoa, she competed in the Miss Pacific Islands, was crowned Miss Pacific Islands in Honiara in the Solomon Islands in 2025. She's a former head girl at Hamilton Girls High School in Aotearoa, New Zealand, holds a Bachelor of Pacific Studies from Victoria University in Wellington. From the island of Samoa, she hails from Sa Papali'i, Fusi, Sa Fotulawhai, Saulua Fata, Lalomano, Matautu Wharelili, Vae'e, Sinamonga, as well as from South Africa and Scotland. Mato Mamole po ile whawhtai te oe Litara mo le whaitaulanga i le lo taimi e te asa si mai a Tonga ma psoswani mai i le tautuanga i le nei afi afi. Whawhtai te oe, can we welcome judge number 3, Miss Pacific Islands, Litara Yeremia Allen.
Judge number 4 for this evening, Miss Natalia Palolatu. Natalia Palolatu, World Bank Country Officer based in the bank's Nuku'alofa Tonga office. She oversees and provides implementation support for the World Bank's portfolio. She has held this position since November 2018. She has a broad range of experience in aid management, public finance, portfolio support, analytical work, and policy dialogue. Before joining the bank, she was the Deputy Chief Executive Officer at the Ministry of Finance. She holds a Master's of Business Administration and a Bachelor's of Commerce in Economics. Most importantly, she's a mother of 4, a former student of Siosi'ana's Dance Academy, and an avid supporter of children's talent and growth. She hails from Koloha'apai and Havakatolo Hihipo Tongatapu, married to Leumatu of Vava'u, and lives here in Pasimoyafi, Nuku'alofa. Ladies and gentlemen, judge number 4, Natalia Palolatu.
Judge number 5 this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is Steveni Fehoko. Steveni Fehoko is Tonga's own master carver, royal artisan and cultural guardian. Hailing from Ha'ano Ha'apai, Steveni comes from a long line of traditional carvers and is renowned across the Pacific for his handcrafted wooden and bone artworks. His pieces are rich with meaning, deeply rooted in Tongan identity and heritage. He is the founder of Fehoko Art and Tours, located here in Nuku'alofa, where they showcase some of Tonga's historical arts as well as talent. As the president of the Tonga National Arts and Handicrafts Association, Steveni continues to lead the revival of our cultural arts with passion and with pride. Steveni is also past Miss Pacific pageant judge and is the creator of many viral projects here in Tonga, such as the Whale Boat, the Old Tonga Village, and recently the Wakalautala Canoe Project. Steveni is a dedicated sponsor of our past Miss Heilala crowns, worn by our beautiful past winners. These are his gift for our people in this event. Each one is a symbol, not just of beauty, but of heritage, strength, and the mana of our ancestors. Ladies and gentlemen, judge number 5 tonight, please put your hand together for Steveni Fehoko.
Ladies and gentlemen, just behind our judges there, the table just behind them, we would like to introduce our scrutineers for the night. We have from BSP Bank, Nadia Puloka, who is the head of Treasury. We also have Nirashan Somet, who is the MBF Bank's Operation Manager. They will be our scrutineers for the night, and also joining in on the table we have Mailena'a, who will be taking care of our time. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our judges and our scrutineer and timekeeper for this evening.
So now, Salote, we get ready for the actual judging part of the sarong part this evening. So let's have a look at the judging criteria for the sarong wear to ensure that we're all on the same page. Now, sarongs should utilize approximately 3 meters of bright fabric. Contestants may use less than 3 meters, but they will be penalized for using more than 3 meters. Now, the key criteria is number 1, poise, personality, natural beauty and elegance. Number 2, modesty in coalition with our cultural standards of the kingdom. Number 3, suitability of the sarong in place of swimwear. Number 4, attractiveness of the sarong. And number 5, creativity of the tie design.
The sarong swimwear aims at showing the healthy physique of each contestant in a way that requires them to be creative, fashionable, and modest. Contestants are advised to be culturally sensitive to the high value of modesty in Tonga and be reasonable in the amount of body and skin revealed. They must be tied and not held together by buckles or any kind, and is one piece of fabric. The contestants receiving the highest total score in accordance with the marking system will be awarded the Best Sarong Swimwear Award.
Now, finally, the prizes for the sarong wear category. We did mention it a bit earlier, but just so you know, the winner will receive 500 pa'anga. The first runner-up will receive 350 pa'anga, and the second runner-up will receive 200 pa'anga. They are the prizes that our sarong contestants are vying for this evening.
Without any further ado, this is a moment we've all been waiting for, and once again, just reminding you all, the results of this evening, the judging events for this evening, will not be released. Throughout the events, we will collect them all, and this will be revealed in the finale on Friday evening. However, you are free to take down your points, and you can compare and contrast at the end on Friday there is. We're going to head right into it. This is our first judging event for this evening, but the second judging event of the Heilala Week. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome on to the stage Miss Lady Maria Australia. Miss Lady Maria for Australia, Miss Anali Pisa Tanuvasa Chowli. From the cascading waterfalls to freshwater pools, the cool breeze, the rainforest, to the sandy beaches. Arii happily and proudly tells the world that Tonga is your destination. A place to bask in the mountains and swim in crystal clear water. Wrapped respectfully in a sarong that represents everything natural and beautiful about Tonga. The multitude of colors flow along the sarong like springs and waves, and the blue sky above throws its reflection upon the sea and the rivers. Arii dedicated her sarong to all the children of the world and people living with disabilities. She believes that bright colors put smiles on everyone's faces. The message that is hidden in the colors of his sarong is to always have time for our children and to always make sure that they are safe from harm of any shape or form. Place for our young people. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 1 is Miss Lady Purea from Australia, Miss Arii Pisa, Tanuvasa, Chou.
Move now to contestant number 2 in the Sarong category this evening. So we welcome to the stage Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana, Patricia, Lavulo, Robert, Lupepau'u.
Seen a lot of women, but God took his time on you. Pretty brown skin girl, pretty as shit, no more.
Tonight, Siosi'ana wears a sarong that tells the story of Tonga's beauty, faith, and future. The ocean, wrapping around her like a promise, symbolizes our eternal connection to God and creation, ever flowing, ever strong. It is the same ocean that carried our ancestors across the Pacific, guided not only by stars, but by divine trust. In this fabric, I carry that same courage. Each knot is tied with purpose. One for tradition, the stories passed down from generation to generation. One for perseverance, the strength of Tongan women who rise with grace through every storm. And one for the future, the dreams we carry for our people, shaped by faith and by unity. Hibiscus flowers complement her silhouette, honouring the beauty of our land and the strength rooted in our femininity. The flowing waves speak of Pangaimotu, the island I proudly represent, where land meets sea and heritage meets hope. This sarong is not simply clothing, it is a canvas of meaning. Subtle Christian symbols are layered throughout, because we are a nation dedicated to God, and I am a daughter of that promise. As she walks, may every step reflect the values she holds dear: faith, heritage, and love. May it remind us that even the smallest island carries great purpose, and the future of Tonga will always be strong when built upon the foundation of our past. Wrapped in culture, tied with faith, and led by purpose, she is proud to represent the Kingdom of Tonga. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana, Patricia, Lavulo, Tao Moi Piao.
Touch my bed, so I know that I got you, baby. Oh, aloha. The love is the day I found you. Man, I do it my bed. I'll love you over and over.
One of the things that we noticed tonight as the night goes on, that the stadium is filling up, and that's just lovely to see. That the indoor stadium that we are at the moment, it's free to all. So for those of you that are still watching from home and wish to come along, do come along. You're more than welcome, and it's free. Continuing on this evening with our contestant number 3, the sarong wear, Miss Tongatapu, Fungalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi. Tongatapu o kupatai pea ke periuri waki o Oseni. Ko Oseni, ko e mo'uianga, ko e koloa ke tauhilele. From shore to the deep blue moana was home to many. Fish and marine life of all kinds, where the turtles swam freely, peacefully, and security guaranteed. It was an image of peaceful cohabitation and sharing of resources. We must make sure that these gifts are maintained to ensure that it continues to be the koloa for all our ocean, our source of life and security, a treasure to value and sustain for today and future generations. The design of Miss Tongatapu's sarong was inspired by the clear, pristine waters of Heilala Beach, where she and her sister and her late father used to visit and swim there when she was a child. The blue emerald ocean, in harmony with the clear blue sky, left lasting imprints on Miss Tongatapu. Ko e teunga o Miss Tongatapu, na e popoa i hono potunga mo e whakaukau pia mohono sipinga. Me he taimi na e whafononga atua e ki whine moini pia mohono tao kete. O kaukau tahi mo e na tangata e ki i he matatahi halaika i hahake. Na e to oa e loto mo e atamai o e whine mui koeni. I e whaofo ofa, maa, kino kino e pia a Oseni. Ai lanu polo fio e malata ai tahi. O hange ko na ka pani mo e tapitonga lanu moana ai langi. Me he matatahi ke moana ko e api o e koloa kehe kehe. Ai ka, ai ngahi pingota, ai fonu e nau tāpate fie fia, i he malu pia mo e nonga honau api. Ko e nofo pe ofo ofani, mo pe vai aki i e ngahi koloa o e mo'ui. Ko ho tau Oseni, ko e tau koloa, mo tau mo'ui anga, mo e malu anga ke tu'uloa. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Miss Fungalaau Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi.
Still in the Sarong category this evening, we move now to contestant number 4. Let's welcome Miss Ha'apai Masani, Ati Liliani, Olie.
There's an island across the sea, Kingdom of Tonga.
Tongatapu, pia kapui mo'y talakakato mo'y pangay ay kini. Kay atamuaw, yung whakamatala, i kake kau tahi, o ki filmotua. O kune whawhongai, ai Miss Ha'apai Masani wafe mawanima, Ati Liliana Olie. Ko hono te unga ena, ke hifo moia i he mataatahi ko whanga i he si. Koe lano hono te unga, o ku lalu mori, pe tā ki ai kupesi. E o kune whakamatalai ai taimi, o ta whoki hono ngahi mataatahi lau one o otu ha'apai. Io, o ka e fiafi, ke toela a te hohulu hono huelo, e fukahi tahi mai taftafa akilangi. Io, o pehe, ai hohulu, ai lai tupenu, o kone teunga aki, o ka hifo ki matawhanga, ko lata au i Ha'apai Masani. Ko hono lolo tākai, koe fo i pako o whanga whariki pako. Nei lote, pia whakatoka, e ne whanga whae, ke tākai, pia toki hifo, ki matatahi o kaukau ai. Tua o whātu, mea Miss Ha'apai Masani, Ati Liliani Olie.
There's a nation that can there's a town, Nuku'alofa, and it's calling up to me. So I return to my island across the sea, Kingdom of Tonga, Kingdom of Tonga.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is contestant number 4, Miss Ha'apai Masani, Ati Liliani Olie.
Let's welcome on stage contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA, Siniva Kulena Violeti Tuavao.
She said, let me cater to you. I said, cater to me. She said, just relax and let me give you the thing. No. She said, take it easy. I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. You don't have to wind up yourself. She said, take it easy. I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself.
The vibrant Sarong versus Island Spirit.
And then she bubble and she bubble and she bubble.
Green background that radiates freshness and vitality. Boldly adorning the fabrics are large hibiscus and plumeria flowers of blue, cherished symbols across the Pacific that embody beauty and grace and the warmth of the island hospitality.
She said, just relax and let me give you the thing. Yes, girl, I wanna give you the thing.
The hibiscus, with its bold petals and vibrant color, speaks of feminine strength and confidence, while the stalk area offers a gentle nod to calm, peace, and new beginnings. The placement of each floral flows like an ocean wave, echoing the rhythm of island life and the deep connection between people and the sea.
I'm in your section. She said, let me cater to you. I said, cater to me. She said, just relax.
More than just an outfit, the way the sarong is tied carries deeper meaning.
Take it easy, I will do the work.
Each knot is a statement, graceful, intentional, and full of pride. It is part fashion, art storytelling, and a bit of island magic. With every wrap, this sarong honors generations of tradition while showcasing her unique spirit and creativity. Worn with poise, presence, and just a hint of island sass, this sarong doesn't just complete the look, it completes the story.
She said,
it's a vibrant tribute to heritage, hymnody, and island elegance, making it the perfect piece to highlight the beauty of any wearer and the islands. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5 is SNS USA, Siniva, Ulena, Violeti, Vava'u.
she said, take it easy, I will do the work. You don't have to wind up yourself. You don't have to wind up yourself. Oh, and then she bubble and she bubble and she bubble and wine. Push back.
Remaining in our sarong category this evening, ladies and gentlemen, we're pleased to welcome contestant number 6 to the stage, Miss Current of Love Charity Vava'u, Miss Talita Fainga'a. A pink sarong tonight. It is a stunning representation of Tongan culture and beauty. The vibrant pink here, paired with elegant island white prints, reflects the warmth and hospitality of our Tongan people. It symbolizes love, warmth, and compassion, making it a fitting choice for tonight, which showcases the island's rich heritage. The sarong itself is a beachwear garment in various Pacific Island cultures, including Tonga, where females often wore on a day at the beach. For a young girl from Tonga's paradise, Vava'u, the way it's tied must maintain modesty. It is a testament to the cultural values of respect and humility that are deeply ingrained in our Tongan society. The island white prince had a touch of sophistication and elegance, highlighting the beauty and uniqueness of a Tongan beauty. Siosi'ana hototonga, ke tauhi pia molu-malu o wa'u ki ha'ate ewa, whakamokomoko pia tatau ki ha'ate kau-kau tahi i ngahi whanga Masani oi otu whelenite. Oku pehe hotoki te unga matātahi, ka te hifu atu ki ngai mata whanga ne osi whakateunga aki a Vava'u me na tula. Io, si ono lanu pinki mo hinehina, koe lito ia o e lanu o anga malu mo e talangofua ki he tuku whakaholo o e tau whakatonga. Pea neo no aki ai loto apasia ki he tauhiwa o e whakapa-apa mo e lo e kita. Tuku ke o pālawe atu he, Mahoto sei le pakitu'u me he siale tafa o e alu i talau isa mo hi ngano a fuhi he peau pe o mea i he maili o ka huni e lolo a hala e walu. Ofa atu me he Miss Current of Love Charity Vava'u, Miss Talita Fainga'a, your contestant number 6.
Our last sarong wear for this evening, contestant number 7. Welcome on stage, Mystica Way Creations, Malia Toatepi Tonga'uiha. Mysticaway Creations, Malia Tuatepi Tonga'uiha, celebrating our heritage, shaping our culture. Mysticaway Creations Sarong tonight highlights the importance of marriage between our Tongan cultural heritage and our natural environment. Her sarong wear is a symbol of her deep appreciation for culture, heritage, and identity, which she notes is reflected in Tonga's natural environment. From the vibrant sea life of her maternal homeland, the Otukinekina, to the awe-inspiring blowholes of her paternal hometown, the Fungalaau. Mysticaway's sarong wear consists of two ties. The first tie sits behind her neckline and represents the Tongan value of mamahi'imea, or loyalty. She holds loyalty close to her mind, as to always remember the importance of working diligently with loyalty to serve God, His Majesty the King, and the royal family, and also the diverse communities and people of Tonga. God and Tonga are her heritage. The second tie wraps securely around her waist. This tie signifies the value of lototo, or humility, that she upholds as a young, Whaimau, or Tongan maiden. She ties this value closely to her, as it's a firm reminder that emphasizes being humble and modest, avoiding arrogance and pride. It focuses on recognizing one's place within the Tongan community and using the Heilala platform to maintain these attributes as part of Tonga's culture. These pillars are not just abstract concepts, they are deeply woven into the fabric of everyday Tongan life and are beautifully mirrored in the elements of Malia's sarong wear tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, your contestant number 7, Mystica Creations, Malia Tuatepi Tonga'uiha.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to bring all of our contestants back on stage in their sarong outfit again, and we'll give our judges one more opportunity to see what they're wearing and give our audience to show your appreciation. Let's welcome to the stage contestant number 1, Miss Lady Maria Australia. Contestant number 2, Miss Pangaimotu Island. Contestant number 3, Miss Tongatapu. Contestant number 4, Miss Ha'apai Masani. Contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA. Contestant number 6, Miss Curran of Love Charity Vava'u. And contestant number 7, Miss Tikaway Creations. O e ke mo kainga, whakawhi atu ke mo paspas I mai kotoa e kau whini mui. O kwenau vei pā whoki I category koe o te unga matatahi because sarong I e pia whini. Let's keep our applause going, ladies and gentlemen, as our lovely contestants exit the Miss Heilala stage 2025.
Iloa, was it breathtaking or what?
Absolutely amazing. I feel sorry for the judges, though. They have a really difficult time tonight to judge all of amazing talent that we see, even the beautiful creations from our Sarong. And kudos to all of those who created them for our contestants this evening.
Definitely. While the contestants were on stage, we saw the supporters, those that were behind the scene. They actually stood there, and I can almost feel the passion in their heart, you know, just having a look at each individual contestant, because I know they gave it their all, but they're the ones behind the scene.
Absolutely. Audience, what did you think of our Sarong category tonight? Did you love it?
Once again, just inviting everyone, motol mo me mai ko me api, me ngahi me alele, ok ata ai indoor stadium, pe okta totongi ai fungavaka ko ya ki olunga. Whawhi ato e tonga kotoa mo i Tongatapu ni mo whia mea mai, pia mo mea mai. Whamaloa tu e taim da tau, he tau tau hi koia ai mau, na e kore at katik motol, i e kamata anga o e tau proklama, whamaloa lahi atu i he whengau e aki koia. Also a reminder that the official photos of the contestants 1 to 7 are out on the official page of Miss Heilala Pageant. You can go onto it, click love, like, share to support your contestant that you support. The pictures are already out there.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I invite you now to turn your eyes to the screens as we acknowledge our elite sponsors of Miss Heilala 2025.
Elite sponsors, sponsoring 10,000 Tongan Pa'anga and above. Waterfront Restaurant, nestled along Vuna Road on the Nuku'alofa waterfront. Waterfront Lodge and Restaurant is an elegant colonial-style boutique lodge with a highly regarded cafe restaurant on the ground floor. Hotel and Restaurant, a charming boutique establishment located in Nuku'alofa, blending Italian elegance with Tongan warmth. Established in 1996 as a traditional Tongan fale, locally known as Pizzeria. MBF Bank. MBF Bank Limited Tonga is a locally incorporated commercial bank, fully licensed and supervised by the National Reserve Bank of Tonga. Since launching operation on the 29th of October, 1993, it has become one of the 4 key commercial banks in the country.
Ka te whakatau ai na o palani interneti paangai tolu, ka te ke lava o whakatau ho o palani paangai nima, aia e li ngā ua atu ai ho o palani interneti. E toi lahi angai ho o palani interneti ke YouTube, DTV, pia mo Clash of Clans. Whakatau lewa ha o palani all-in-one i tai nimi, he o kulahi pia toi lele yangi.
BSP Bank, officially Bank of South Pacific Tonga Limited. BSP is a locally incorporated subsidiary of the BSP Financial Group, the largest banking group in the Pacific region. The Embassy of the People's Republic of China in Tonga, established in 1998, serves as the official diplomatic mission representing China in the kingdom. Located in the capital city, Nuku'alofa, the embassy plays a pivotal role in fostering and enhancing the bilateral relations between the two nations.
Liliani, welcome to the Noa International Thailand Hotel.
Ta Noa Hotel, one of Tonga's leading hotels, located in the heart of Nuku'alofa, with its stunning waterfront views, modern facilities, and warm hospitality. Ta Noa has become the preferred destination for both business and leisure travelers. Tehoko Arts and Tours, a community-based cultural enterprise located just east of Nuku'alofa in the Purea Tongatapu area. Run by the renowned artisan Steveni Tehoko and his family. This vibrant studio specializes in traditional Tongan handicrafts. New Sound, a proud locally owned sound system company, renowned for delivering high-quality audio solutions for major events across the kingdom, with a strong reputation for reliability and professionalism. New Sound is the go-to provider for concerts, festivals, and community gatherings, ensuring every event sounds its very best. Education and training, committed to building a smarter, stronger Tonga through quality learning at every level. From early childhood to lifelong skills, we empower students and teachers to grow and succeed. Education shapes your future, and together we are shaping a nation grounded in culture, driven by knowledge, and prepared for tomorrow.
Kia ora! I'm Leitusa, Acting High Commissioner to the Kingdom of Tonga. I warmly
The New Zealand High Commission in Tonga is a proud partner in supporting Tonga's growth through education, health, climate resilience, and cultural exchange. We also thank you for sponsoring the Heilala Festival, celebrating culture and unity. Mahalo aupito for your continued support and friendship, a partnership that strengthens our people and future with shared purpose.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our sponsors, our elite sponsors, and I also note that many of you are with us this evening with your tables on the ground. Thank you very much for your generous donations, which has made Heilala 2025 possible. Holope ho mea tahine Lupepau'u, ka maai ka whrawhe, ka tau hoko atu e programa koia o e whiawhini. Ki mua pa tau hoko ki e tau whiauhi honoua koia o e whiawhini, tukheni ke ukole, ia teknau tolu koe ni ke whahoko mai ai whakami i te hoko, koe kulupu eni ai ke lea maka, aia te nau whahoko ai mako e tamai tangata, pia pēwhoki ki he whaiwa tui whio. Ko ia mou kātā ki o paspasi i mai koe kau flosho weni ai ke lea maka.
Ko e Chou fokia ai kele amaka I he whiawhini na uwhare aria to i Hawani.
E mamai ki ha'ano
Ha'ano si ki whakalahi ki he lotu moe ako
E mamai ki ha'ano
E mamai ki ha'ano
Ki kauhala o tano kauhala lalo E mamai
E mamai
E mamai
E mamai
E mamai ki loto ha'ano Tulo mai papai pau tapu mana ia Nana hiki ai Panga'o ale I pata Kisa pale mei hake anga o kauhala o tahi koi taulanga Na moa ai o mo atuna Isa ai lana kali o mala elahi Kauhala lalo ai mo he afo o e tamahai Deha mea toke moe mana o ha'ano ai to o ngā pone ui sino I e o whalato Tulo mai papai pao tapu mana ia Nana hiki ai Panga'o ale I pata Kisa a whale mei hake anga o kauhala o tahi koi taulanga Na moa ai o mo atuna Isa ai lana kali o mala elahi Kauhala lalo ai mo he afo o e tamahai Deha mea toke moe mana o ha'ano ai to o ngā pone ui sino I e o whalato Tau e pangu I he mana kofele una E taki E taki Lose oe hafiko Wawaki moa Da ahitei tako Angalia masina Lauta ana ia Oe kakala iloa Lauta ana ia Oe kakala iloa Si oka opa he apiko horera Ae si a kotoloke pea moe Funa muitoa Kakapia apu alu mausao no alahana Nimi angai api o pata pata he pai me alaha Isa ihe e malaka oe o maha angana Isa ai Heilala e o kusipala Hoki hoki moe lo waki maunu oi e na toli ai kona o kutaku ke toe e kea Si ota opa he apiko horera Ai si a kotoloke pea moe funa muitoa Kakapia aku alu mausao no alahana Nimi angai api o pata pata he pai me alaha Isa ihe e malaka oe o moha angana Isa ai Heilala e o kusipala Hoki hoki moe lo waki maunu oi e na toli ai kona o kutaku ke toe e kea Tau e maki I he mana kofele una E taki E taki Lose oe hafiko Wawaki moa Da ahitei tako Angalia masina Lauta ana ia Oe kakala iloa Lauta ana ia Oe kakala iloa
showgracing the grace and essence of Tongan dance tonight. Put your hands together for Ke Lea Maka Floor Show. Ko le atu ki mo toi paspasi I mai ai. Kau paiva koe ni ai Ke Lea Maka he pia whini. Whare ari e tau ngai whaiva whakatonga I he Stacey Koia ai Heilala o Wafe Mawanina. And I believe, Salote, we're ready now to move on our third judge category, but our second category for this evening, which of course is our talent quest tonight, which I'm very excited to see what our contestants are going to bring to the stage.
We're going to see a lot of talent tonight, and I know this is the finale for this evening, so we're hoping, and I know those that had come through, the supporters. One of the things that we note for this event at Lavulo is how much our people travel over, not just our local tourists that are coming in from Vava'u, the Tunuas and Eua, but we also have Tongans coming in from overseas for this. The families, the supporters, you just see the outbursts of love supporting these girls.
Salote, I was at the airport earlier today and earlier in the week, and I can tell you there is so many of our Tongan diaspora flying in from New Zealand, America, Australia, and around the world to be here in the kingdom for not only Heilala Week, but for Miss Heilala 2025. So it's great to see everyone here. If you're here from overseas, malo lele and welcome to the Kingdom of Tonga.
46 years of celebration of this Heilala Lavulo, 46 years anniversary, and this is a build-up to the 50th. You know, when you say 46, it goes to show how much in the history, the rich history behind this Heilala we should be acknowledging. And for those of us that are here today, we acknowledge those that had started this back in 1979.
Not only is it the 46th year of Heilala, this is also the year we celebrate the 150th anniversary of our Tongan Constitution, one of the oldest constitutions in the entire world. So it's definitely a very special year here in 2025. Now let's have a look at the judging criteria now for the talent quest this evening. So I'm going to go through a few notes and then Salote will read out the rest. So the dress code this evening for our contestants, it must be appropriate attire for the talent costume. The other important note is it must not exceed 4 minutes. So in order to help our judges with that, our smoke machine will go off quietly in the background when our contestants have reached the 4-minute mark. And then beyond the 4-minute mark, there will be deducted points for going over time. The other criteria that will be scored tonight during the talent, number 1, the appropriateness or pertaining to the theme or the contemporary talent. Number 2, originality pertaining to the talent and costume together. Number 3, natural ability as presented in her performance. Number 4, quality of presentation, so that's the level of preparedness and professionalism. And number 5, entertainment factor or the appeal to the audience tonight.
The Talent Quest is the contestants' opportunity to share something that is unique about them. Without exceeding the time limit, each contestant must show originality, creativity, their skill and professionalism in their performance. Introductions by the hosts are not included in the time limit, so when we introduce them, don't start your clocks yet. Contestants will be penalized if they exceed the stipulated time by 1 point for each 15 seconds over. The contestants receiving the highest total score in accordance with marking system will be awarded the Best Talent Award.
Now, similar to the procedure followed during the pre-pageant interview, a timekeeper is seated next to the scrutineers. Now, the timekeeper will raise an orange card to help the judges know to signal that the contestant has 1 minute remaining in their allocated talent time. A red card will be shown when their time is up. Now, contestants who go over the time limit will incur a penalty of 1 point for every 15 seconds exceeded.
Do note that the prizes for the Talent Quest this evening, the winner is 1,000 pa'anga. The first runner-up will receive 700 pa'anga, and the second runner-up will receive 500 pa'anga. That's the Talent Quest prizes for this evening. Once again, reminding you all, the winners for this evening will not be announced, so you can do your marking up. You can compare and contrast on Friday evening when the announcement of the results will be.
Now, the Heilala Committee have reminded us one more time that when the 4 minutes is up, not only will you see the smoke machine, but the lights will flicker a little bit at the back of the stage. This is to help our contestants know that they've reached the 4-minute mark tonight, as well as our judging panel. Now, before we introduce our contestants in the talent this evening, I'd like to invite our guest of honour and audience, if we could turn our eyes to the screens behind us. We're going to have a look now at the journey of our current reigning Miss Heilala, the beautiful Rachel Gutenvale.
Kakai te mo'i lo'e. Miss ADP e Mafi.
Fungalaau atu ai Vahine Princesi Angelica la tu Fuiteka Halawau ata'ahon da pua o ka Nuku'alofa. Ai matala manua ki te koe Rachel Gutenvale i o Fungalaau e Tonga o te auhi o this Pacific Islands.
Rachel Gutenvale, and I'm so proud.
What an unbelievable journey it's been. Our current reigning Miss Heilala, none other than Rachel Gutenbale. Wasn't that just amazing, Lotte? Looking at her journey representing Tonga here as well as overseas.
It was just beautiful to watch, and I think we can all relate to that. We were all part of your journey, Miss Rachel Gutenbale. I think one of the things that bring emotions just watching that Lavulo is her crowning last year. It was taken and it happened at Heilala village under the Maki'u. And it is a testament not only about Rachel Gutenbale, but also of Heilala and the journey. You know, at one time we had Miss Heilala at the International Dateliner Hotel. From there to Pangaimotu. We've had it at Vahine. Look at where we are today. Look at all the technology. Let's give a round of applause for the journey of Heilala and its rich history that we stand on.
An amazing journey it's been, and our journey continues tonight as we move now into our second category this evening, which is our talent tonight. We'll make sure the camera keeps coming to the top corner over there. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our talent. Very proud to welcome to the stage contestant number 1, Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia, Arii, Pisa, Tanuvasa, Chou. Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia is a proud Pacific Islander and is excited to take you on a journey of cultural celebration. Though from the diaspora, this does not stop her from learning and embracing her heritage. Arii will first take you to Samoa Matalasi. This is where her journey of finding her identity first started. But this is not about self. On the screen behind her are the mothers, the fathers, the friends and children who proudly embrace their heritage as well. You will then voyage to the exotic island and heartbeat of Tahiti, the vitality of learning our Tongan values, the very pillars of our culture that are visible within our people that evidently make us stand strong today. Different quotes will be displayed to remind our Pacifica people of the diaspora to not be ashamed. Continue learning about your culture, as this will continue to prosper and keep our culture alive through generations. Lastly, Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia takes you to the land down under. She acknowledges the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation on which land she lives upon. She pays her respects to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples, elders of the past and the present. Their land was and always will belong to the Aboriginal people, and she advises that the song may contain Aboriginal people's voices that may have been deceased. She honours Australia by performing the dance of the crane. When a crane is searching and finds food, they all gather and eat in harmony. When their bellies are full, they celebrate through dance. Anali's family dance with her that speaks strongly about harmony, the indigenous values of unity. Above all, Arii honours God. Our identity can only be found in the one that proudly created us. We may come from a small island, but our hearts and mawhana are at large. Ladies and gentlemen, in the talent category tonight, this is your contestant number 1, Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia, Arii, Pisa, Tanuvasa, Chou.
Masani.
G'day, mate. G'day, mate.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is our first contestant in the talent segment tonight. Why don't we put our hands together for contestant number 1, Miss Lady Maria Tonga, Australia, Arii Pisa Tanuvasa, Chou.
Lavulo au tau ko malo ko ki ki kai ngata pe he mea he ne ta he fa fa lang langi ka ma ka fa ki ki fini I he howani o fa ma fola 20 I he komsoni fa ma fola le atonga ka pe he ko ke broadcom pe I finga aki pe mo televisione ko ya pasifiki o to fa ki atu ai wiki Heilala ko ya wanoa wanima e televisione e wa fitu I he pasifiki. So this is being televised through Tia Sokai and the networks. This is being televised in 27 countries other than just Tonga alone, our Heilala Week for 2025.
Absolutely. Can we put a big round of applause for all our viewers tuning in from not only the Kingdom of Tonga, but around the region on our 27 different affiliated broadcasters through Pacifica TV.
Ki e taka lelei poki pia mo e tonga kotoa, e kai ngata pe I tongani, ka koe kai ngā tonga koia ngā mea mai me I tua preanga, I he houani. Ange koia koe tautou lawe ai whanau, e lawe I loa ola, kai umaa, ak mautolo tau kau whatahen he kia fini, neo e nau whakapaia I muri, koe loto, o kei tonga pe pa koe e honga ia. Koe hia, koe kei manatu opa mai ki tonga, te au pehe e nau kei kau mai koe ni I he whirimis Heilala, kai maa ai wike katoa ngā koe ni. I he teo koia ki he tau contestant pika wa o tau fia whamalo I ai pe ai poko mo toko ni ai Purea tonga o whako I e potngawe tak mamata a tonga ai koe Ministry of Tourism and Tonga Tourism Authority Tonga Tourist Association va pe foki ke Fiji Airways koe tau Heilala Festival Heilala Supreme sponsors ia.
Koe o watai pe whamalo ki ngai business mo ngai kautaha koe ni ka kau elite sponsors. O ngā toko ni ki ona whakahoko atu e tau polokalama koe e whiri hoi hoi pua by Miss Heilala Wafe Mawanima, BSB Bank, MBF Bank, the Embassy of the People's Republic of China, the Ministry of Education and Training, the Hoko Arts and Tours, New Sound, Little Italy Hotel and Restaurant, Waterfront Restaurant, the Tānoa International Dateline Hotel, Digicel Group, and of course the New Zealand High Commission. Mo paspasi I mai, ai ngai business mo ngai kautaha, o nau popo mai ki he tau polokalama o weekendi.
Moving on, our talent quiz for this evening. Welcome on stage our contestant. Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana, Patricia, Lavulo, Robert, Lupepau'u. Guided by her faith and the legacy of her ancestors, Siosi'ana presents a storytelling performance that reflects her journey of being called back to Tonga to reconnect with her cultural roots. Through spoken word and interpretive dance, she expresses the most profound lessons that she has learned about being Tongan, her unwavering faith, the persevering nurture of her people, and the value of service. Blending the elegance of traditional Tongan expression with contemporary movement, her performance is a tribute to heritage, identity, and divine purpose, illustrating a journey not only of her return to Tonga, but obedience to God's greater calling in her life. Ladies and gentlemen, paspasi imai, contestant number 2, Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana, Patricia, Lavulo, Robert, Purea.
I heard the whispers of time inland. Her voice calls me home, to the turquoise waters, the golden sun that kisses the shores, and the embrace of a land where my soul yearns to be. I trace my roots across the islands, to Vava'u, where my forebears thrived in unity and strength, to Arii, where they lived in rhythm with the tides and the spirit of the ocean, to Tongatapu, the heart of our kingdom, where the footsteps of my ancestors shaped the land beneath them. From these sacred shores, they carried wisdom, heart, and the spirit of our people. I have wandered far across vast oceans and the seven seas, yet the pull of my heritage has never loosened its grip. I dance in longing, in remembrance, in reverence to the heritage that shaped my grandparents, my parents, and now my path forward. My journey so far has taught me that Tonga is more than just islands floating upon the Pacific. It is a kingdom dedicated in faith, a promise sealed by King Nuku'alofa at Bono in 1839. He cast away the pagan gods of the past and embraced the light of Christianity, offering this nation to the God of the Bible and shaping it in the name of Jesus Christ. From the churches that rise with the morning sun to the voices that sing in evening prayer, faith flows through Tonga like the tides. It is hope, it is strength, it is the very heartbeat of its people. And among them, my ancestors heard the call of Christ and answered, not only as believers, but as servants, bearing loyalty to both the crown and the church. They stood in devotion, offering their hands in service, their voices in worship, their lives in faith. Now I no longer live in search of my heritage. I dance with it. It strengthens me, roots me, and carries me forward, shaping the woman I am becoming. The challenges that lie ahead feel less daunting, for I have felt the embrace of my ancestors' faith and my family's love. I have heard their wisdom in the voice of the waves. Finally, the beat of the Nafa, the heartbeat of Tonga. I feel my own heart beating in rhythm, steady and strong, ready to face the future.
Paspasi imai koi contestant Pika Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana Patricia, Lavulo, Robert, Purea, Honourable, Koya, Olie, Fiafini. How was that, Lavulo?
Absolutely amazing. And I believe for our international audiences tuning in from the 27 different countries in the region are going to experience a lot of Tongan culture tonight. So seeing our traditional Tongan tānafa there was just something else. And I know we're going to see more of that throughout the program. If you've just tuned in right now, this is the talent part of our Miss Heilala Pageant this week. We're going through our contestants. That was contestant number 2. We have a total of 7 contestants tonight, all vying for the title of who will be Miss Heilala 2025-2026. And of course, this evening we've had our Sarong category, and moving along now to our talent category. Tomorrow will be the Tau'olunga. It's going to be a great evening and continue to be a great week.
Just reminding you all, for those that are here and those who are viewing from home, that throughout this week, every evening, we will be here with the Heilala Week. So once again, as he alluded to, 6 p.m. tomorrow, we have the Tau'olunga. So you're in for a treat once again tomorrow, and on the finale on Friday evening. But once again, reminding you all, Lola, are you aware of the concert that's happening this Saturday, the Give Back concert?
I am indeed. And look, again, it's a showcase of our Tongan talent from the diaspora overseas. Come
in for a treat once again tomorrow, and on the finale on
Tonga here in the kingdom, and that truly is part of the finale of the
happening here. This is in partnership together with it's so that of this actually gone to the family, and they were however and 40 pa'anga. Get yours at Digicel in Nuku'alofa.
Ko ia hange ko lau vave mai pe ke whakatauho tiki te lia na ke whakaisa. I think we're almost ready now for our next talent to hit the stage here at our Tonga High School National Stadium tonight, here in the heart of the royal capital, Nuku'alofa, in the Kingdom of Tonga. Warmly welcome you all this evening. Again, make sure you're here nice and early each night this week to make sure you don't miss out on all of the program which these lovely girls have put together this evening. Next, we'd like to introduce to you contestant number 3, Fungalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi, Miss Tongatapu. Koe tale niti o Miss Tongatapu, koe tā o e nafa ma'ulu-ulu, ki e teu e whaiva tuku whakaholo o ngahi ongo, mo e maa whana he kuonga o e haa tui e tolu o tonga. Koe tui tonga, tui haa takalaua, mo e tui kalukupolu. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together as we welcome to the stage now contestant number 3, Fungalaau Elizabeth Amanaki Mafi, Miss Tongatapu. Koe tale niti o e Miss Tongatapu ua, koe tā o e nafa ma'ulu-ulu ki he teu e whaiva tuku whakaholo o e ngahi ongo o e mawhana he kuonga o e haa tui e tolu o tonga. Koe tui tonga, tui haka takalaua, mo tui kanukupolu. Miss Tongatapu's talent will be Tongan drumming, the beating of the drums or nafa, and specifically the ma'ulu-ulu drums. The ma'ulu-ulu is a traditional Tongan seated dance that is performed to the beat of the drums. The tempo of the beats are Piutau, is a walking that signifies the call to war when the king calls his warriors. Each man has a sense of duty when called to war to protect their king and their tribe. Talua is the galloping, signifying going to war. Everyone is committed to the pledge that they made to protect the king and their tribe. Lele, or running, signifies the clashes of war when the warriors fiercely fight to protect their king and their tribe. Whakalali pakola is the sudden stop of the beats and signifies the end of war or peace. Tonga will celebrate the 150th anniversary of the adoption of its constitution in November this year. With Tongan celebrations, there's bound to be the sounds of the horses walking, galloping, running, and stopping as in the ma'ulu'ulu. Tonight, Miss Tongatapu displays the beat of the drums as a cheerful contribution to the upcoming 150th anniversary. Our heritage that continues to shape the lives of our people, our next generations shaping Tonga. Miss Tongatapu is carrying a war club, a paddle, and wearing a valangatu made of the wheta'aki, the traditional costumes worn in the days of our three kingships, and with their war clubs and paddling the kalia, crossing the high seas to fight for independence and freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Miss Tongatapu, Fungalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki, Mafi. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 3, Miss Tongatapu, Fungalaau, Elizabeth Amanaki, Mafi. And while our team takes a moment to clear the stage, there are some special awards that Salote and I would like to share with you all this evening. Firstly, there's going to be a special award for Miss Photogenic during that Miss Heilala week. The winner is selected from those photographs submitted with their application packet at the time of registration by the official photographer appointed by the Heilala Festival Committee. The contestant selected will be someone whose beauty brings an immediate appeal and visual impact. That will be the Miss Photogenic Special Award.
That official photographer is going to have a hard time with that one there. I don't envy him. Also on the special awards, we have Miss Personality. Miss Personality, the contestants will vote on the winner for this award. It's an award that recognizes a young woman who is considered by her sister contestants to be the friendliest throughout all the pageant events.
That's it. There's also a Miss Internet Award. Now, this award is determined via you guys, the online voters. Contestants' profiles and photos are launched on the official Miss Heilala Facebook page, and the winner of this award is the contestant to receive the highest votes.
Then there's Miss Tourism. This award is awarded by the pageant committee, and it'll be awarded to the contestant which is prompt to all the functions and engagements, appropriately dresses for all the occasions, respectful and considerate of the pageant requirements and staff, all other characteristics that reflect good ambassadorship and may be decided by the pageant committee. Contestants who do not receive any of the titles or awards listed, they will also receive consolation prizes.
And last but not least in our special awards is the best Teunga Tau'olunga, or the best traditional Tau'olunga costume. Again, that will be awarded on our Friday night crowning evening. So there it is, our special awards here at Miss Heilala 2025.
Also reminding, happening tomorrow at 6 p.m., same place, here once again, we have our Miss Tau'olunga, Miss Heilala Tau'olunga, which will be tomorrow starting at 6. Once again, inviting everyone to return back, be with us. And again, for the public at large, the arena top floors are free. So bring along the family. It's a great treat for everyone. Moving on, we'd like to call on stage contestant number 4, Miss Hapai Masani. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Welcome Miss Andi Liliani Olie. Whatapu atu pea ka pui pea mo e talaka kato o e pangai e kini. Kai ata ke a te au ke uwhamatala ke kake i tale niti o ki i whine motu ani, Miss Hapai Masani wa awhe wa ni ma. Ko e tale niti o e whine motu ani, ko e siva wha Samoa. Ko e taha eni hon tale niti manako, ke ne whakaha i atuai hono tuk whakaholo, pia mehi ene whangakui aia ko nao mama o atu. Ko e kakei, ko e ngatu uri hono konga ki olunga, pia ko hono kakei ki lalo, ko e tawa laini na ilalanga ia pia mehi ene whangakui, pia mehi foi oni one, whanga ko whaatoto, whanga i he si. Hono teu teu, nei o mai ko toa peeni, pia me he malai wakapuna Salote pilo levu. He ko ene whanau tama, kua hopo mai ke whafofongai ai ot motuanga o wha. Io, a haapai whakalahi ke lotu pia moe ako. Tua o whātu ko mo whafofonga whika wha, Miss Hapai Masani, Andi Liliani Olie.
Olie?
and gentlemen, pasmasi imay Miss Hatpai, Masani, Andi, Liliani, Olie. There's Tongan time and there's Hatpai time. Contestant number 4 for Miss Heilala 2025. Once again, we have with us in our panel of judges and also gracing us with her presence this year, Miss Heilala 2025. We have Miss Pacific, the beautiful Litara Iramia Allen. As you are aware, that talent there descends back to her Samoan descendants, which was performed by Miss Hatpai.
And also here with us this evening we have the current reigning Miss Cook Islands, Ngā Te Pareo Marie Mawate. So we're very blessed tonight to have so many of our Pacific, champions here from the Pacific, from our various beauty pageants here in the Kingdom of Tonga. And I believe it's the first time Miss Cook Islands and Miss Samoa / Miss Pacific Islands to be here in the Kingdom of Tonga.
Definitely. 46 years is not something small, and having these beauty queens with us only signifies that 46 years as we're crawling into the 50th.
And I was chatting with Miss Cook Islands a little bit earlier, and she was just sharing how it's so good to come together and reconnect with Miss Heilala and, of course, with Miss Pacific Islands, because they were all together in the Solomon Islands at the Miss Pacific Islands pageant a little bit earlier this year. And it's just great to come together and experience the friendly islands of Tonga.
Once again, just acknowledging our sponsors, some of our sponsors, the Heilala Platinum. We would like to acknowledge the Kongakawa Boutique Hotel, Sunshine Rental Cars, Spare Parts Zone, Esco Motors, and also the Australian High Commission Office and Liata Boutique Gift Shop.
Well, we can keep going here, acknowledging our silver sponsors for Heilala this evening: House 88 Tonga, Tahi Tonga, Universal Pharmacy, Tali Eva Bar, Lay Signs, Ancient Tonga, and Lava Group. And not forgetting the Evergreen Restaurant, Young's Kitchen Restaurant, Builders Burgers, Seaview Lodge, Nuku'alofa Beach Resort, the Tonga China Federation, and the MF Tamoepeau Building. Mo paspasi mai ngai pisisi mo ngā kautaha, o kuna ofa mai te tau ki au I kuia Miss Heilala o wafe mawanima.
Moving on to our next talent for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, we have contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA, Siniva Kulena Violeti Tuavao. Good evening, everyone. Growing up in a Tongan home and community, dancing has always been close to my heart. It's more than just movement. It's a way to bring people together in celebration, unity, and love. From family gatherings to cultural events, dances has always been a beautiful expression of joy and connection in my life. Tonight, I am honored and excited to share a performance that blends two vibrant and passionate cultures, the Tahitian and Latin. As part of my talent presentation, I'll be performing a high-energy fusion dance that combines the smooth, powerful hip movements of traditional Tahitian otea and ahuroa with the flurry footwork and rhythmic flair of the Latin styles like salsa, samba, and also bachata. This dance is where the hypnotic sway of the islands meets the heat and heartbeat of Latin America, an electrifying fusion of tradition, passion, and rhythm. It's not just a performance, it's a tribute to cultural heritage, personal expression, and beauty of blending worlds. I've poured my heart into every step, and through this fusion, I hope to bring a piece of Tahitian islands and the soul of Latin dance to life right here on this stage. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the show. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss SNS USA, Siniva Kulena Violeti Tuavao.
All her voice colors when flowers see you warmth. I play the guitar and you're strumming on my heart. I know you're heaven sent. You are a blessing and you're safe inside my hand. I found an angel. She fell from heaven yesterday. I found an holds my heart within her wings. I found an angel, and she is all that I need.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, that is your contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA Siniva Kulena Violetti Tuavao.
So much talent coming through. And so much talent and so much creativity from these contestants, their supporters, those behind them. But I also, can you feel the powder? Feel the powder coming through. But other than that, I'm actually also loving the vibes that's coming through from upstairs. You can actually feel the vibes and the cheers that are coming through. How lovely is that?
Absolutely. I think you've hit the nail on the head there in terms of the creativity this year. It's absolutely fantastic. But you are right. We have such a diverse audience tonight. Let's have a bit of cheers from our audience and see where the supporters are, because it's kind of the numbers have balanced out. So if you're sitting on that side of the room, the far side of the room, hahake, tawhaki hahake, we're going to count to 3 and we want you guys to cheer really loud. Want to see if you're louder than this side. Are we ready? Teu teu, taha, ua, tolu. Okay, let's come over to the hihifo side. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. No, I think he might have been a little bit louder.
Or maybe just because we're standing next
Maybe
to
because we're
close
close,
to the
right?
people.
No, but congratulations to everyone this evening. Thank you for being here. Let's keep rolling now with contestant number 6, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Miss Current of Love Charity Vava'u, Miss Talita Fainga'a. Tongan Youth, a story of identity, is a powerful spoken word performance that showcases Miss Current of Love Vava'u's talent and passion for her culture. Through a poetic narrative, she explores the complexities of being a Tongan youth, caught between tradition and modernity. With conviction and determination, Miss Current of Love Charity Vava'u delivers a thought-provoking piece that highlights the challenges and opportunities faced by young Tongans nowadays. As she takes the stage, her presence commands attention, and her words should weave a spell of cultural pride and resilience. The performance is a testament to her creativity, her confidence, and her commitment to her heritage. With each stanza, Miss Talita Fainga'a's poem should be conveying the urgency and passion of her message. The poem's theme of identity, cultural preservation, and empowerment resonate deeply, making it a compelling and memorable performance. Her talent shines through her ability to articulate the hopes and the aspirations of our Tongan youth, inspiring them to celebrate their unique perspectives and cultural heritage. Si ito tupu o Tonga, ko hai koa ki taua. O pehe ai muna a Talita Fainga'a, ka koe Miss Current of Love Charity me he lolo a halaivalu ke to'u tupu o e whonua. Ke tau nofo pe a wakavakai, pe ko tau kei tauhi koa ho tau Tonga. Isa, ai tuku whakaholo o ko tau wiki, pe kua mōli atu ia pe lau manifi. Isa, o ko lea aki e Talita i ene ki i mauni, ai whakatokanga ki e hako tupu e whonua ke tau tuu mālohi i ono whakatokangai ma hono matatari e peau o e liliu kone kapu ho tau ngahi matawhanga pe we sia e whanau i kai ki i loi ho nau tonga mai tala o e whonua ka koho tau pore anga. Ofa atu, Talita Fainga'a, ka koe Miss Current of Love Charity, me Vava'u lahi.
Tupu Tonga, wai koa ki taua. In the kingdom of Tonga, where the sun meets the sea, a new generation rise with dreams yet to be free. We're a gap between tradition and modernity sway, torn between our culture and the world display. We are searching for our identity, our place in the world, trying to balance our heritage with the modern twirl. We are the youth of Tonga, with hearts full of fire, determined to make our mark, to reach our highest desire. Siosi'ana o ta Tonga o kuviki, e hopa o e laa ma potutahi. Ka kungali au hia, pe atu fihi, hota Tonga, ko wha
kauke manifi. We are not just the future. We are the present too. With stories to tell and dreams to pursue. We are the keepers of our culture, our language, our pride. But we are also global citizens with a world to explore inside. Kota kakapu, ya iloi kita, ata nenefu, ana whakainga. Tupu atonga, koi got kita wa, e ngai kau peau, oi hala whanonga. We are facing challenges, from substance abuse to identity crisis. But we are resilient, we are strong, and we are full of promise. We are the youth of Tonga, and we are ready to shine with our talents, our passions, and our hearts that align. Tua ke taka fataha, yono te kaya ngai aho kokona. Taunga ake whai ka wekoula, ke ilo ai, waie, kai tau tupa taua o Tonga. Ki ota o whātu.
Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 6, Miss Current of Love Charity Vava'u, Miss Talita Fainga'a.
Once again, talking of talent, coming through and through, contestant number 6 there. How did you take that one, Lavulo?
I found that very touching on an emotional level, and I believe just observing it that it touched on a lot of issues that are facing our youth here in Tonga today.
One of the things that stood out for me was her mama Kalasini. And I think that tune that she played in the background of that, I think everyone remembers growing up. That's when Tonga Broadcasting Commission shuts down in the evening. It's a tune that we all grew up to. So there's a lot of memories that come in of the elderly. When mama tankun and ito mai mama Kalasini. It's been some time to see that. So that's beautiful to see all these contestants this evening coming through with so much history.
And again, the Mama Kalasini kind of takes us on that journey, connecting our past and moving into our present and keeping that light shining from generation to generation for our culture and for our nation. We've moved quite quickly. As it feels like it's been such a fast evening as we move through our Sarong categories tonight, and of course now the talent, and we've only got one contestant left to go in our talent. But before that, we do want to acknowledge a few of our corporate sponsors, and with our Heilala Bronze sponsors tonight, we'd like to acknowledge Acor Sand Clothing, Jet Save Travel, Very Popular Cars, Leader Quarry and Leo Guesthouse this evening for their support in the Heilala Bronze category and businesses supporting Heilala Week 2025.
Once again, just reminding you all, the official photos of the Heilala contestants are up on the Heilala Pageant page. You can go on, vote for the contestant you support, share, love, do what you got to do to show your support. Also reminding for this week, Saturday, the tickets are still out there. Digicel store in Nuku'alofa, opposite Talamahu Market. Buy your ticket, 30 and 40 pa'anga left. The VIP is sold out. But the $30 and $40 pa'anga tickets are still there, so go out there and grab it. I see the Digicel crew right in front of us here. I'm sure they've got tickets on them. You could pick it up too. Moving on, we have our last contestant for the talent quest this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, Miss Malia Toatepi Tonga'uiha. Ko e whamatala ki e taleniti ko ia o e Miss Takeaway Creation. Ko e taleniti o e Miss Takeaway Creation ki e whiawhini. Ko ano tala noa mo e to'o kongkonga lalahi mai ia a ilo tupua ko ia atonga ko e no'o anga. Aia o kāia i ilo lahi e tau whangakui, ki o nau ātakai pia mo tahi foki. Ne toa ngai whangamatala ko iau ngawe aki ki e tale ni te Mystical Way Creation, i he whiawhini, mei he whautohi ko ia a masiu moala, pia pehe foki ki a veiongo havea. Ne whao foki e punake ko ia ko weringa toni ngu, halaka laka o iloa ko e noo anga. Pia o kei tauhi, pia mo whaiva aki i he kolo ko ia ko navtoka. O kei tauhi pe e tui tufu pia mo i kāinga e weiki, ai ilo pia mo i tau kei koe ni, ai ok mahu ingai ni ke pātolo aki. Mystical Way Creation's talent for tonight is a story depiction of the No'oanga, shark hunting. No'oanga is an ancestral knowledge which is held by our ancestors dating many, many years back. Tonight's short presentation of the No'oanga was taken from a written document, the author Masiu Moala and Veiongo Havea. Walinga Toningu also composed a laka called No'oanga, and it is preserved and still performed by the people of Navtoka. The master shark hunter Tuitufu has been traditional knowledge holder of the No'oanga and the people of Eweki. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage contestant number 7, Miss Maliato Tepi Tonga'uiha.
Fatu e ikata ane. Isa, ko longa fatu e ikata ane.
No'oanga, Tai the shark, refers to our ancestral shark hunting knowledge held by Master Shark Hunter Tuitufu and the people of Eweki. Hina of Eweki lived a happy union with her suitor, Obuikawhanga, son of Vata and Hihifo. But one day, Hina found out about Mabuikawhanga's infidelity. She was really heartbroken and had no choice but to return home to Eweki. The next day, Hina released her pet sharks from Tongatapu and they set off on their journey back home. Their voyage home took them along the beaches of Navutoka, where they stopped for a brief break. This area in Navutoka was named Fungaonetaka, referring to the two pet sharks' restless behavior. They continued on and rested at Kolonga. Women of Kolonga found Hina at the beach with her two pet sharks and rushed back to inform their chief Nuku. That evening, Nuku and his people hosted their honourable visitors with dancing and feasting. The next day, Hina asked Nuku to accompany her back to Eweki. The two pet sharks were taken to the reef Halakakala, which is to the northeast of Eweki. Tuitufu has summoned his men, the Sinilaus, to the Falesiu. A kava is made to mark the beginning of their spiritual and emotional cleansing. A siuki moana is devised. The whaiva no'oanga is to be conducted. Tuitufu and his Sinilaus are prepared. The kafa is ready. Monu, a big piece of pork for Hina. Manava is prepared for the crew. A kauta, the whangongo, and Hina's kahokakala. The voyage has arrived at Halakakala. Ofo, pea tā vili mai. Ko aweni o ko whakaongo atu. Ko hokakala eni. Ki ho whataa o tō whaai. Ko ho kawhana o loto ko iai. Ko ho lali ko iai. Ko ho tā mawha ko iwai. Hina e mea mai o fie mai lie ai. The sharks are around the boat. The Sinilaus can safely reach them and bring them one by one onto the boat. They tie up the first shark. Deao. The next shark is tied. Deao. And so on. The last major no'anga by Tuitufu and the Sinilaus was in March 1953. Tuitufu caught 48 sharks, and him and the people of Eweki presented them to Her late Majesty Queen Salote Tupou III at the palace.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was contestant number 7, Miss Maniato Tepi Tonga'uiha, Miss Dikaway Creations tonight. And that is the last contestant in our talent category here on our first official night of Miss Heilala 2025 here at the Tonga High School National Stadium.
And that also brings us to the end of the judging event tonight, which is the third judging event. It's the second evening of the Heilala Pageant for 2025. Thank you all for staying along with us. And again, same time tomorrow evening at 6 p.m.
I just want to acknowledge again all of our contestants in our talent category tonight. Contestant number 1 was Miss Lady Maria, Australia. Contestant number 2, Miss Pangaimotu Island. Contestant number 3, Miss Tongatapu. Contestant number 4, Miss Hapai Masani. Contestant number 5, Miss SNS USA. Contestant number 6, Miss Current of the Love Charity Vava'u. And contestant number 7, Miss Dikaway Creations. Let's put our hands together for all of our lovely contestants this evening.
And once again, we would like to acknowledge our sponsors. Without their generous help, we would not be able to run Miss Heilala 2025. So we'd like to acknowledge our Heilala Platinum, Gold and Bronze sponsors. Let's take a look at the screen.
Heilala Platinum sponsors, sponsoring 5,000 Tongan Pa'anga and above. The Kongakava Boutique Hotel, Sunshine Rental Cars, Spare Part Zone Tonga, Asco Motors. Heilala Gold sponsors, sponsoring 3,000 Pa'anga and above. Australian High Commission Office, Leata Boutique Gift Shop. Heilala Silver sponsors, sponsoring 1,000 Pa'anga and above. House 88 Tonga, Tahi Tonga, Universal Pharmacy, Tali Eva Bar, Lay Sign, Ancient Tonga and Lava Group, Evergreen Restaurant, Young's Kitchen Restaurant, Builder's Burger, Seaview Lodge, Nuku'alofa Beach Resort, Tonga China Federation, MF Lupepau'u Building.
Ewa kau whiauhi he Miss Heilala tau anoa uanima, toko fitu ko ia he lava lele e nau fofuaha i he whiawhini. I he whiauhi whirimisi o tau a whi ma uanima. Lava lele ia hono whakawa o e polokalama wiki Heilala o tau ni. Hoko mai ai ki he Sarong wea, pe ko e teunga matatahi. Mui mai ai ang nau ngā hitare ni ti. Pe he lolotongani, teu teua i beki ngā i polokalama.
We're going to have some entertainment now on the stage. I'd like you to put your hands together as we welcome one of our local songstresses to the stage. Put your hands together for Liliani Taufa. Liliani is going to be performing a couple of songs for us this evening here on the Heilala stage before we get ready to close tonight's program and get ready for tomorrow's exciting evening here at the Tonga High School National Stadium, indoor stadium here in the heart of Nuku'alofa here in the Kingdom of Tonga. We trust you're enjoying our telecast live on Tonga Broadcasting Commission, TBC, TV Tonga, Letio Tonga, Broadcom Broadcasting, Letio Valu Pituponinime FM, wherever you're tuning in from across the kingdom and overseas. We trust you're enjoying the Miss Heilala Pageant 2025 and we look forward to you joining us again tomorrow evening and of course on the final night, the crowning evening on Friday night, right here, same place, same station. And Salote, very important that we're all here nice and early tomorrow because the Taulunga night's always a very long evening. There's a lot of bands that will be here, cover clubs supporting, and it's just so important that we're here from the very beginning just to capture and enjoy the essence of tomorrow night.
That's right. Once again, reminding the time for tomorrow is 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. be here once again tomorrow. For those of you who did not have the chance to come, do come tomorrow, and it's free entry for upstairs here at the Tonga High School indoor. Moving on once again, our entertainment for tonight is provided by Liliani Taupa. The two songs that we have in front of us is Kapiolani and also a mix which you'll be presented with. Malo.
Malanau mali aho e ki ka malele e tonga kotoa pe. Whatawangi pe o ko mo ma o halau male fia pe hange o ki mo tolu ko mo mea mai he ope. Hange o ki mau tolu ko ni o ko mau i malmalo e fale ko ni. E mau fia mo pea mo poupou ki he purngo e tak mamata. I hono teke ko ia ai polokalama ko ni misi, ai filimisi ko ia ai wafe mau anima. Ko e ki hiwa whakaosi ko amanaki ko ki whahauka te he whiawhini. Ko kola tu peki he mātanga ki mo tolu ko ke i he malmalo e whale ni. Ke mo whamole mole pe o kau mai peki tau hiwa. Ko lawe i pe o ku mo mea i pe ki ai ngai hiwa mix ko nuk amanaki ko ki mau whakahoko. Pa ko kola tu peki mo hiwa mai pe malo. Ata peki kau misi mo Rachel.
Darling, you damasi, I was wondering, begu kesi ifefe. What is on your mind? I'm just waiting for you to tell me, baby. Kihila mai pe, kia te ao, so I know I'm on your mind. Bel do make it fonu, e kuipu, ke wongo I one more time. Siyoku'ofa Take my hand and don't let go. I'm addicted to your loving. But if you should know how my love goes, then baby stay close. Take my hand and don't let go. I'm addicted to your loving. But if you should know how my love goes, then baby stay close. You won't ever have to cry. So wipe them tears from your eyes.
Let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for the local talent of Meliane Taufa. And also thank you to you in the audience as well for joining in.
Very talented there. Meliane Taufa, also her brother Pehoko is the one that's running Silapelua Dance Academy. So very talented family. Thank you for joining us. Without any further ado, we've come to the end of our program. Thanking you all for staying with us. Tahine whawhalanglangi, ngari ko mauloa a e whiawhini, kai whawhetai, o kei tuku taimi, kai kei mea heni. O kokore heni, ki e whawhakonga o e Tonga Tourism Authority, ki e tale kita, lovely maka, ki ne whahoko, a lea whamāloko ia o e whiawhini.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to call upon the Director of Tonga Tourism Authority, Miss Lovely Maka. She'll kindly make her way to the podium to deliver our closing remarks this evening.
Tapu mo e otua, o Tonga, ko tau tofia. Tapu mo e laa, o e otuanga o wha. Tapu mo e Heilala tangitangi, o e otulaine e top tapu. Tahine ko eki, Salote, Lupepau'u, Tuita, Taione. Pako kole, ke hufanga ai. Kai ofa ke ngofua, ke kaunangani, ke whakamonu ai koloa, ko kouna kita ki ai. Ko kaweinga o wau mahu ingani. Ko katoa ngai, ho tau tuku whakaholo, mo la langa, ho tau kahau. Pea kua ukole, ke whakahoko atu mua, i e lea whakapitahania. Ke mahu inga maalie, ke toko lahi taha, o mo mea mai, ke polo kalamani. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to deliver the closing remarks for the opening ceremony of this Miss Heilala Beauty Pageant. The theme destined for the 225 Heilala Week and the Miss Heilala Beauty Pageant is celebrating our heritage and shaping our future. It personifies the scripture of Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, to give you a future and a hope. Accordingly, what is Tonga's heritage? And how will that shape our future? The answer is clear and concise in our motto, embodied in our national coat of arms. God and Tonga are our heritage. Indeed, the Almighty Jehovah of Providence has hitherto safely, securely steered the Kalia of the Kingdom of Tonga over the past century and a half. This is how and why the friendly islands' golden strengths of humility, respect, reciprocity, and loyalty have been firmly woven to achieve the outcome objective, beauty and finesse of the welcome fine met, to withstand the test of time, communications, constitutional, climate change, and resilience challenges. In order to celebrate our humble heritage of Otua Motonga Kohota Tofia as the sole crown jewel of the Pacific, and thus survive, sustain, and shape a fruit future for the tourism industry in the Tongan economy over the next sesquicentennial of our beloved constitutional monarchy. On behalf of Her Royal Highness, the patron of the Tonga Tourism Authority and Tonga Tourist Association, may I avail myself of this opportunity to convey our heartfelt, profound gratitude to our distinguished guest of honor, the Honourable Salote Lupepau'u, Tuita Taione, the Minister of Tourism, Justice Honourable Moale Finau, and His Majesty's government, all sponsors and stakeholders, Reverend Sela, and members of the clergy, the diplomatic corps, distinguished guests, the beautiful Miss Pacific Island, the Miss Reigning Heilala of 2024-25, and all the beautiful contestants and judges, and to everyone who have contributed to this momentous occasion's success. May God bless you all abundantly. Tua o fatu. Alo.
Whamaloa atu lovely maka, koe whafofonga ia o i komiti, i he lea whamalo ko ia o e whiawhini, he kai ke toi whaloloa, whawhitai i tahine whawhalanglangi, e ki Lupepau'u o kei mea i he whiawhini, ka maa mautolu, ka whawhe, pia mai Tonga'uiha, kai pehe ki ka o whiawhine, hoi fua ko ia tau i he niai i he whiawhini. Pia koe lawa ka kato ia tau proklama i he whiawhini, te whawhe e at mautolu taim da tau, ko ia no e whiawhi a pongpongi i he Tonga High School Indoor Stadium ai pe ai ko a pongpongi ko e whiauhi tau olunga ia.
I'd like to take this opportunity to honour and thank our honourable guest this evening, the Honourable Lupepau'u Tuita Taione. Can we put our hands together for our guest of honour for gracing us with your presence this evening? I'd also like to acknowledge all of our distinguished guests, our judging panel for the great role you've done. To everybody else, both you at home and for everyone here this evening, please be back here tomorrow, 6 o'clock in the PM for our Tau'olunga competition, part of our Miss Heilala week. We look forward to seeing you. Travel safely home and God bless. I'd like to call upon Reverend Sela Lataila Kepa. She kindly make her way to the mic now to conclude tonight's proceedings in a word of prayer. Malo opito.
Let's pray. Father, we thank you for this evening. We thank you that you have guided us and given us a great night. And keep us safe and sound as we depart from this venue. Pea koe kerese e ko si tukaisi mo e ofa toka tamai Heilala male maoni oni ke te tau tolhon ko tape o na hiri kai whai pilta ngata. Amen.
Koe lau kakatoia ai whamafola whangatonu i he hoata i he whiawhini me he whare mamataanga spoti i he Tonga High School Indoor Stadium. Ka koe fuafua haia e kau Miss Heilala e tong fitu. Nau vei pā ke kalauni o tau anoa ua ni maa. Whamaro lahi whoki ki he CEO koe pure lahi e Tonga'uiha e takmamata mo e whalau ewa a Tonga. Nau kei whemea ngau ia ki leti o Valfit Poini mai whaema pe ki he tau live stream i Broadcom FM 87.5 Broadcasting. Ke whamawhola atu e ngahi Vava'u, pe ke ngahi whatongia katoa pe i he wike Heilala. Whamaro lahi ki o kau ngau e he poni, e whatari e kutui fua, e ono tonga i e ata mureo. I he tau pe si Facebook, whamaro whaka mesa ke whahamokioa, o tauhi e tau ngahi whatongia i he reti o Valfitu Poini mai whaema. Whamaro ke kau whaita, o ki ai a Webster Junior, pe ke a pita takafua, aripate kisina. Mau tatau atu e me i he whare mamatanga spoti i he Tonga High School, pa ko maalunga Tonga. Tau whoki tatolu ki he Vikilani House, ko au whirisonu whinenga nofo, wala puta mau mea mai ka mau mea.